It's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. Pink. With pink pants. No, I'm not wearing pink pants today, guys. Good morning, everybody. Tesh, good afternoon to you in the UK. You're back from vacation, right, Yogi? Welcome back. Trey, good morning. Grim, ayo, ayo. How are you? Eric, good morning. Jade, good morning. Jeff, good morning. TK, good morning. Virus and Thrust. Good morning, everybody. Thor, good morning. If I missed you, good morning. Trevor, good morning. Good morning, 12. Oleg, good morning. Chris, good morning. WZ, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Today seemed like a bit of a slow morning, didn't it? Right? Friday, slow morning. Oh yeah, the Premier League is back today. Let's go. So like, if you find me missing today, I need to see what time the deadline is actually, because I'm gonna disappear for like an hour. You know. Um, Glad to be back. Let's go, Yogi. Welcome back. So the deadline is 11:30 my time. Okay. Mm-hmm. Alan, good morning. Happy Friday. Lizzie, good morning. Good morning. Just chilling. Ayo. Good morning. Good morning. I wish more of you guys joined us, but that's okay. So we had some more data this morning, and don't really think that data is relevant. I just think it's Friday, and the market had to sell off a bit. So the S&P I think was on a bit of a downtrend the last time I looked at it. So SPY is what I want to look at here. I mean, we're still above 550, which is a good thing. So just closing above 550, I think that's a pretty impressive week. Just knowing that I think we've had almost a 2% day every day this week so far, so that's impressive. NVIDIA was at closer to 120, 122 almost. So we're getting a bit of a bounce. In terms of like pre-market gainers this morning, there's not a whole lot that really stands out. Um, not sure where Octo is coming from because I really haven't seen that yet this morning, but we can take a look. Where's the moon? The moon. I don't know. The Premier League is back. There you go. Laura, good morning. So we're gonna do a group class tomorrow. We're gonna do a group class tomorrow, everybody, and we want to talk about psychology, just market psychology, because a lot of you guys seem to be struggling with it. I think Laura was doing really well, but then I think she kind of stumbled a bit. A lot of that is that complacency of like having multiple winning days, right? The more you succeed, the more like strict those rules become, Laura, right? So smaller losses really become a huge thing at that point. Oh, the background moon. Oh yeah. Well, I think so. This one's a bit different. The background we have today is a bit different. Like it's like a live background. You can see it moving, and then anyways, just fun stuff playing around. Um, so yeah, we're gonna have a group class tomorrow, same time, 3 p.m. Eastern time. We're gonna do it a bit differently tomorrow, guys. So instead of doing it on like in Discord like we usually do it, we're gonna use a complete different platform. I'll give you guys the details tonight with the link in terms of where to go tomorrow. It's like YouTube, but it's not YouTube. Alrighty, and it's cool, and there'll be like prize giveaways hopefully, um, and some other fun stuff. Cool, 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 cool. So I mean, honestly, today we can use this as make sure that if you have questions tomorrow, you bring those questions. I said this in Discord, right? A lot of you guys have amazing, amazing questions. But like I don't get these questions at night or like when the market closes. I get them 10 minutes before the market opens. There's no way I'm gonna like answer your question with like very much detail or like in any way that would help you at all, right? Like you guys have some amazing questions. then like people send me these questions to my DMs too, like, hey Blaze, what do you think of this and this and this? I got into this. I'm like, I can't really help you now. Like I want to help you, but you're better off like bringing that question to a class or bringing it on stream, because I'm getting on stream in 5 minutes. You know what I mean? So yeah. So make sure when you have these questions, we're hanging out at nighttime. We have a group class. We have a group class almost like there's something that happens every week in Discord, right? So save that question, or DM me way earlier before the market is about to open, please. Alrighty. Cool. Again, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, please and thank you. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. Like I said, this is a list of pre-market gainers. The market seems a bit slow this morning, so hopefully when we open, we have some of these smaller caps do really well. Right, so CING is something that's done well. We've looked at this one for a few days now, right? This thing was up 160% yesterday, and today it's up another 100%, right? So really impressive run on this one. Really, really impressive run, right? So if I go all the way back to yesterday, really good breakouts, really good runs, and then continuation. Let's go. Buy some cookies for when you cry after this weekend. Don't worry, Mo. Don't worry. I'm coming. I'm coming. Mo, you have time. It's not done yet. You have time to join us. It's going to be fun. You have time. Telling you, come join. Thank you for the super chat, Mo. Really appreciate that. And this money will be going to. Um, I won't be buying cookies with it. I'll buy an avocado. Too much stress. Yeah, fantasy is a lot of stress. So again, CING most likely is our favorite name going into the open. I'm just waiting for this stuff to load, and then I'm gonna share the link here as I usually do. Right. So again, top name going into the open, CING. Question for you guys in the chat though: what's your favorite name into the open? What's your favorite stonk? What is your favorite stonk? ZCAR was another one that looked interesting, right? SEEL was another one that looked interesting, and then just putting together a few names here that looks somewhat interesting. What is your favorite name going into the open? Are you hoping for ZCAR? Yeah, ZCAR does look interesting. I like that it's sitting above the 200 EMA. You have all that resistance at 20 to 21, Kimbella, and then a bit of support closer to like 16. So is it time to FOMO, lazy Viet? Time to FOMO? Okay, let me do one more post here. Then I'll be back in the chats. Back in the chats. There you go. Back in the chats. Cool. So no, it's not time to FOMO. So like I said earlier this morning in Discord, you guys were asking what the support level for CING was. The resistance, that was that 950 level we talked about, right? So I'm gonna move this line a little bit lower because I put it up there because of resistance. But this was your 950 breakout, right? 950 was your resistance level, right? And we broke above it and then came back for the retest, which is typical, right? These stocks will break resistance and then turn around and use that resistance for support. That's exactly what's happened. The reason I say no, don't FOMO at this price is because clearly we have resistance. There's a lot of supply up here. If you go to the left hand side early in pre-market, it's that same resistance, anywhere from 10 to 1020, right? And then you can kind of see that thing broke out above, but we still kind of stayed in that supply zone, and then a retest, and we're still failing at $10, 1020. So that's going to be your main resistance for now. SWEWEEL, SEEL. Nice little demand zone at 37 cents. Doesn't seem to have the volume for now though, so we're going to leave it on watch. And then there are a few more names that we should be taking a look at, as the day goes on. So we will. GOVX is the monkeypox name that's been a favorite so far. It's up another 8% today. It isn't really doing much. As long as these monkeypox headlines stay, relevant, we're going to keep watching, right? So, which is fine. Which is a okay. You lost in that trade. You had to get out. Okay. Yeah. And another really common mistake that a lot of people seem to be making is you guys are getting into these plays and staying in there, right? I'll take a look at TNXP. TNXP. Yeah, you're welcome, Laura. Good morning, Sean. Um, I mean, it seems to be coming back, which is a really good thing, a really, really good thing. Because then you're almost back to break even. Laura, what's your entry on this? What's your entry on this? Because I don't think it's anywhere far from like 27 cents, right? I mean, again, you guys are getting into these plays and staying way too long, right? Way, way too long, right? So again, we've talked about, when you're in a position that's clearly cooking, and when that thing breaks below the 9 EMA, you want to consider getting rid of it, right? When you're sitting below the 20 EMA, you have a big problem. You have a really big problem, right? We're looking at something that, again, what for whatever reason, it really doesn't matter. Could be a catalyst, it could be momentum, but it's had a really good run, right? We're looking at something that's had a really good run and then stalled in the supply zone. So now when we're breaking below the 20, the 9, the VWAP, you have a problem, right? Yeah, you're way higher. What's your entry, Laura? Let me know. Let me know. Um, and the reason why, like, I like, it's annoying sometimes is I know some of you guys will lose a lot of money in these plays, a lot of monies, rent to profit, to meet my, look at that, right? So there's a difference. Like, honestly, go to Discord, right? Go to Discord, and then look at the conversations this morning. Compare that to other people, and then compare those conversations to the gold members, and see what the difference is, right? I'm just gonna read a few, right? Red to profit. Chris says, just need $82 more to meet my Friday daily goal. Let's go. Nikolai says, TNXP, quick scalp. I just made some quick monies, right? Grim is obviously always cooking. Um, Kimbella cooking, right? So, like, there's like, I look at the conversations and they're way different, right? Because there's some things that are just easily avoidable, right? Like, you just have to take those losses quickly when you have them, right? So these are day trades. These are not investments. These are quick scalps. So if something isn't working out, get rid of it. Just get rid of it, right? So you got in at 58 cents. That's not a position that you should be getting into in the first place. And if you do, you should be getting rid of it. So let me show you your entry, probably, if you got in on the drop. So this is 58 cents, right? So let's say you got in on the drop, right? So you're getting in on the drop, right? And you have this previous bottom right there. When you have a bottom like that, that's a level that you don't go below. Like, if we're breaking below 58 cents, take your loss at 56 cents, Laura, right? We have a little bit of support right there. You can call it support, whatever that is. That's the 50 EMA, right? So now when we're breaking below that level, and obviously we're sitting below the 9 EMA, that's not a position you should be staying in. You should not stay in that position, right? Your second warning sign now is, okay, we kind of have a bit of consolidation. That was a breakout. So we could look at this and say, you know what? This potentially could be a retest of this area, right? So now when you go to the right hand side and it's holding right there, you're like, okay, you know what? This could be interesting. But when it's breaking below, that's another warning sign. Get rid of it, right? And then lastly, you have the 200 EMA, right? We've said this multiple times. Like, if your stock goes below the 200 EMA, it's dead, right? So once we break below the 200 EMA, massive warning sign, right? Take the loss and move on. Now we're sitting at 51 cents. We've gone from 51 to the very bottom. I mean, we just kept dropping all the way to 42 cents. That's a pretty big drop, right? I'd rather take the 8 cent, the 7 cent loss, the 8 cent loss, and go make the money back somewhere else. Because you can do that, right? Because now you're hoping we get back to 58 cents. I hope we do, though. I really hope we do. But when you're getting these warning signs like this, sometimes you want to take them. There will be times where you get rid of a position and it goes right back up, and that's okay, right? But you just have to get in the mindset of, when something doesn't look good, you get rid of it, right? Doesn't look good, you get rid of it, because ZCAR. Riley is also doing kind of okay. Riley. I keep calling it Riley because because Riley. Yeah, the it doesn't look like the volume is amazing though, so I'm just gonna kindly ignore that stuff for now. Kindly ignore that name for now. Looks like Sing is back to the top of the range, guys, which is beautiful, right? So again, clearly this is one of the only ones that's actually performing. I think ZCAR might be as well. Yeah, ZCAR doesn't look too bad, right? So your next resistance for ZCAR will be closer to 20 cents. And then CING, right? You have that resistance. Your next resistance is at the pre-market high for now, kind of at like 1050, 1016. So that's going to be the next level to watch. But that was a really good retest of 950, right? Break above 950 all the way to 1030 something. So Kimbella could get rid of it and then come back for the retest and then consolidate, curl back, and then boom skis, resistance again. So not bad at all, right? Not bad at all. But again, clearly you can see a double top there though, right? So obviously that's not a level for you to be FOMOing into because we're back to $10 already. These candles seem a bit extended. I think it's just the way that the stock has been moving, so the candles are weird. But yeah, there you go. But yeah, that's looking like a top name going into the open for sure. I think our top three names actually don't look too horrible. Don't look too horrible. But so I'm gonna show you guys two backgrounds and then let me know which one you like better. Okay. So uh, the second time, 67. There you go. No, exactly. Exactly. So again, when you're playing with momentum stocks and they're giving you warning signs, take those warning signs. Right? I know people always look for the exceptions. People always do that, right? Like, hey, last time I sold a stock, it went to the moon without me. Well, okay. uh, you cannot base your strategy on 1 out of 9, well, 1 out of 10, right? So 9 out of 10 times the stock is going to the abyss. The one time it goes to the moon, your strategy cannot be based around something that happens once, right? So probabilities. Keep that in mind. Let's go, PJ. Welcome. No, don't worry, we're all late. Markets open in 6 minutes. And then it's time to get the party started. Get the party started. Are you holding NVIDIA puts? Yeah, you should be happy this morning then. I think puts going into a Friday when we've been pumping all day is a pretty good gamble. So, um, yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys. We have a lot of people on, and yeah, let's get to half of you smashing the like. Alibaba. I thought those guys reported earnings 2 days ago. 2 days ago. Interesting. Big position. Okay, should be good to go. Alrighty. Olu, good morning. And good morning. Hello, everybody. Azul, good morning. Good morning. Mm, okay, so we should have a watch list going into the open now. Perfect. Bitcoin is actually having a really nice recovery from. See, that's the good thing about Bitcoin, at least for now, is how quickly it's able to recover those losses, which is good. which is good. Housing numbers. Housing numbers. What am I jinxing? Virus. I'm not saying anything. Um, Most stocks that get a panda move like that, no. I think the only time that I found like benefits to playing with patent names are when they're a little bit cheaper and at the end of very end of the day sender. So yeah, you're not planning on holding that into the open. Yeah, it's looking a bit better at least, right? So 47 cents might be your next. That's where you have that last pivot breakdown. So 47 cents and then closer to 50 cents, hopefully. Zom, hello, hello. How are you? An entry for TNXP? No. When I look at this thing, I don't see an entry, especially when we're 3 minutes away from the open. So you're better off waiting for a second Thor for the market to open and then go from there. Alrighty. CING very low float and low market cap considering. Yeah, yeah. The only obstacle here is again we're 3 minutes away from the open and it's sitting at a double top at 1060 ish. Paul, yeah, absolutely. I'll take a look at SYTA. So yeah, Raven posted this one last night in Discord. Not quite sure where your position is, Paul, in this one. So let me know what your position actually is, or if you're looking for an entry, and I'll give you I'll kind of give you more details from there. So for now, in terms of like levels, right, you can kind of see that we have a bit of a supply zone. If I can make this to work, get this to work. Have some other stuff in the way that you guys can quite see. So we can use that pivot, but we can also go a little bit lower. But so every time for the last few times we've been to $2.70, we've had a bit of a sell off from that range. So 270 is your next resistance. Again, let me know if you're in a position. If you are in a position, you're completely okay as we go into the open because then we could easily have one of those crazy candles pop above 270. So then you'd be fine. If you're looking for a brand new position though, don't think I'd be buying at this level, right? I'd rather wait for that thing to break above 270 and then come back for a retest after the market opens, or simply just give you a bigger sell off closer to the 200 EMA, or come all the way back down to this demand zone at 250. Alrighty, let's go, Dan. Are you feeling better? Yes. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. CING is still looking like a favorite name coming into the open here. As soon as we say that, it pops to retest that high. So hopefully, good, Dan. Welcome back. Get back to making monies, please. And what? And thrust. What options are you buying? Thinking of buying at the open? Kivita. No options for me at the open. I know some people are holding some NVIDIA puts and some spiced stuff, but no options for me at the open. And here we go. Markets open. Ding, ding, ding. My thoughts on GCTS. Is it a good time to buy? I'll take a look, John, in a second. I want to give the market a second here because, again, there goes CING. The volatility, my goodness. This is why we recommend that, honestly, if you're not sure what to do at the open, don't go chasing stuff. Right? Don't go chasing stuff because I mean, look at that. That candle popped all the way to almost $11, and then boom, skis. It was at 950. So again, it looks like we're still in the same range, though, doesn't it? Right? We came back to 950, which we know obviously is support. Right? 950, and then immediately back to $10. So again, nothing's really changed. Right? 950 support, and then 1050, 1060 resistance here for CING. Natalia, good morning. Yeah, crazy candles. Very typical for like momentum stocks at the open. So yeah, ZCAR is selling off at the open, which is not a massive surprise. Watch the 200. Watch for closer to 16 to 1650 if we get there. Right? Again, same thing. Crazy candles. So lots of volatility. Oh, options are crazy. Um, I mean, ZCAR just exploded to $20, 20 cents. Keep wanting to say that. Anyways, 20 cents. Let's see if that candle actually does close above that high now, because I think we're sitting right above 20 cents there. So nice little push, right? Again, A lot of volatility at the open. If you're not sure what to do, sit on your hands, give the markets 5 minutes, and then make your decisions after that, because then you actually have levels, right? Like these pre-market levels are nice to look at, but once the market opens, we almost create brand new levels. So be very careful. Um, yeah, exactly, Dan. We were on a bit of a downtrend before those numbers came out this morning. I think part of it is, Dan, there's always like, when we go into these catalysts, there's always a bit of sentiment. So I think the fact that we ran all like every single day this week for the most part, and then we got to Friday, right? Friday profit taking day. I think that kind of has, a bit of a impact on that too. SIGA. Sheesh, look at SYTA. My goodness. Look at the volatility on all these names at the open, guys. Monkeypox. I wonder though. I wonder, like, as we're going into the weekend, I wonder if people are gonna want to swing some of these monkeypox names into the weekend, just because ZCAR is cooking though. My goodness, look at that, 96% there. Sheesh. ZCAR said, "Hold my beer. I want to cook. Hold my beer, ZCAR. 102%, guys. Sheesh." Oh yeah, it looks like multiple of quite a few of those monkeypox names actually popped at the open here. Congratulations if you're holding this one. If you're holding ZCAR, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes in the chat if you're holding ZCAR. You take it before you made some monies. Congratulations. ZCAR, send it. Send it. Grim, make that money, please. Make the monies. Make the monies. Make the monies. Yogi, Mitchell, make the monies. Yogi, welcome back from vacation again. Don't forget to pay yourself on the way up. Keep in mind that this is, potentially that initial market opening pump, and then you get a sell off to create a higher low, right? So make sure you're paying yourself on the way up. At the very least, have a minimum take profit zone, so you're not letting those gains go all the way back to the abyss. So again, our top two names are looking okay this morning, right? So ZCAR and CING. So clearly CING still has a lot of resistance, at 1050, 1060, right? A lot of resistance. So just be careful with this one. If it breaks out, it's going to be a lot of fun. If it doesn't break out though, we're going to be back to 950 really quickly. So keep that in mind. Again, some really nice fun plays this morning, right? It's nice. It's always nice to have the volume come in when it seems a bit slow in pre-market, but so make sure you're taking profits, especially on a Friday when you have them. Please and thank you. So a bit of a supply zone at 2250 for ZCAR, and it's stalling right below that supply zone. Stalling right below that supply zone. Let's see. TNXP, like I said this morning, right? There was a lot of resistance, right? So you always have to pay attention to the breakdown zones. So when I look at a name like TNXP, we can clearly see that this is a level that we broke down from before. So when you get to that level again, it's going to be resistance. It's going to have a hard time breaking above. The only good thing about this stock, though, is now you potentially have a double bottom. Even though we created new lows, you potentially have a double bottom like in the low 40s. That's about it though. Like there's not a whole lot else that I like about this. Also, another thing to remember is I hate when a stock is supposed to be green and it goes red. Hate, 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 hate. Jericho, good morning. And you broke even, Laura? Okay, broke even. Yeah, we're clearly still having a lot of issue getting above 1060 on this one. So this is one of those things where, like, if you're in a position, that's okay because you're managing that position, right? And you're hoping that we break out. But if you're not in a position and you're jumping in at this price, you're just taking way too big of a risk, way too big, right? Let me take a look at Rely. Sega looks nice actually. Yup, monkeypox. We're gonna have to pay attention to these names like SIGA, GOVX, just in case. At the end of the day, just in case we get more headlines of monkeypox. I think we had a headline yesterday that monkeypox finally crossed into Sweden um, since 2022, right? So make a wish, guys. 1111, make a wish. And then Rely. Um, EBS is running, Alex. EBS. I'm gonna split this between GOVX and SIGA. ASTS is impressive. I haven't looked at that today, but that thing's been impressive. Hello, Nas. Hello, hello. There goes $11.30. Beautiful. Beautiful. 11.50. Beautiful. I think ooh, 11.60. My goodness, that thing is cooking. My goodness. Did we get another headline, guys? Another monkeypox headline, or this thing just wants to cook? Do, 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 do. Nothing new about these names. We've talked about these names quite a bit already, right, guys? Again, those headlines keep coming out. Monkeypox here, monkeypox there. So people are going to continue to look at these stocks. So until those headlines disappear, these names are not going anywhere. So, hello, hello, oof, oof. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna do a split view here between this and GOVX just because they should be moving the same, kind of. Yeah, kind of. So GOVX is hitting that resistance we talked about at $4. Again, another monkeypox play. They're almost up, identical numbers here. 18%. Well, actually 20%, but same. CING is still in the same range, guys, right? It looks like it wants to break out at some point, but it does need to end up breaking out to confirm that. Yeah, I can see PSNL popping now to Sandra. Sheesh. And looks like we've created a nice solid supply zone. I'm not sure where that level is coming from, but that's the beauty of the supply zones, right? We know there's resistance in this area based on how far back the supply zone goes, but we don't need to always go look for that stuff, right? That's why we have the supply zones on the chart. Um, cool. And then this one's coming back from the bottom here. SEEL. SEEL. ASTS is doing nice. Let me take a look at ASTS on Stonks. ASTS. This stock has been impressive. Impressive. Pablo was pulling up some screenshots from when we started talking about this one, and it's been a damn long time we've been talking about this, right? So Alan is most likely talked about ASTS more than anybody else because he's actually posted a lot of DD in Discord about this thing. The dude was spamming. He messaged me yesterday and he was pissed because he sold it yesterday or the day before when in the 20s or the high 19s. He was doing a lot of research on this company and the satellite launches at $10. $10. He's like, guys, pay attention to this stock. It's at $10. They're doing a lot of good things, and here we are at $33. So he's not happy that he sold this position. Um, but it's one of those things, though. Yeah, this stock is impressive. Again, we're sitting at all-time highs now in this one, right? So congratulations if you're holding this. Yeah, congratulations. It's really all I can say at this point. But yeah, no, really good stonk. Golden Z. Golden? Come on, CING. Give us something here. What are we doing? Give us the cook. There goes GOVX, guys. These monkeypox stocks are not stopping. My goodness. My goodness. Anybody holding a monkeypox stock in the chat? Let me know. Type in yes in the chat if you're holding one of these monkey names. Monkeypox names. Holding one of the monkeypox names. Do. New highs of the day. GOVX. There we go. 420. Patricia, yeah. Chris, yes. Okay, very nice. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of you guys are holding. So you're holding Guardian, you're holding GOVX from 368. Beautiful. Yeah. Yep, yep, yep. Yep, 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 yep. Um, and then there's a bigger list, right? I'm only talking about the two that look good right now, right? There's a whole watch list of monkeypox names in Discord. So if you need any of those names, just take a look in Trade Ideas. Pablo has been spamming a watch list in there for days now. So take a look. Alrighty. And try not to FOMO into these things, please, because they always end up selling off, right? Eventually this team is going to die. So make sure you're taking profits on the way up. You're moving those stop losses higher. And if you're looking for a brand new position, do not FOMO. Do not FOMO because they eventually do dip. Riley is still pumping, right? It looks like your next resistance is 675. The volume is okay. It doesn't move like the volume is okay, most likely just because it has a bigger float, but it's done okay. I like when we have these initial sell offs at the open and into a demand zone, and then we get these higher lows because I think that looks good. Again, the only issue you have now is you potentially have a triple top coming up at 675, but it's done okay, right? ZCAR looks like it's actually closing candles above 20 cents, but then you have that 22 for resistance. So not horrible. Alrighty. And then CING is just sitting in the same range. Eventually, this thing is going to give us a crazy candle. It's either going to be a massive, massive pop or it's going to be a massive slap. So, Lorenda, you might be delayed. Make sure you're not delayed. Lauren says I made 38% on Tesla. Best trade in weeks. Let's go. Congratulations. Yeah, it's about time Tesla came back from the abyss. Did you do options, Lauren, or was it just a share position? Watch, the S&P is gonna end up closing green. We're gonna end up closing green today, Dennis. Virus. You did options? Okay. My goodness, look at that thing go. Shish. Shish. Beautiful. There goes GOVX, new highs of the day. ZCAR came all the way back up, guys. Right? So, yeah. Another scalp for you, Justin. Congratulations. Did you not sell those puts? Like I said earlier, when you're holding those puts on a gap down, you potentially want to get rid of those things immediately at the open. Friday on options is for messing around for these guys. 55% virus. Congratulations. Well done. Well done. If you're holding ASTS, type in yes in the chat. Just curious. I know a lot of you guys have taken profits already, but if you're holding, type in yes. Let's see. Perfect. Perfect. One second. Send out a message here. Huh, interesting. Okay. Uh, uh, 1 second. Perfect. Rocket Labs. You took a few calls for NVIDIA virus. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Long-term calls or just quick scalpies for today? Oh, you took your gains off the table. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Let's go, Jason. Hello, hello. How are you? Good morning. Okay, you took some profits on those October calls. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, no, again, honestly, when it comes to like ASTS, if you're in a position still, which I know some of you guys are, I think there was a member that was up, that had 5,000 shares of ASTS from like $2, and then sold half of that position yesterday in the high 20s and low 30s, and then they kept half of that position. So they're still printing a lot of monies, right? Can you imagine having 5,000 shares of this stock from $2 all the way to the 30s? Sheesh, big monies. So congratulations. ZCAR is still failing at that double top, guys. So again, 2250-ish. We keep calling it 22 just because it's nice to say it's nice to say a round number. But again, so 2250 resistance for ZCAR. If we can break above that, then it might be time to send it higher to 25 cents. Cool. As soon as we say that, it's like, yeah, let's go. 20. There goes 20. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. That thing said, again, the candle hasn't fully closed yet. So let's see if we can actually close above that supply zone. So if you notice, the supply zones will usually stay there until the candle actually closes. But look at that. We broke above 2250 really quickly, and that thing is like, come on, give us 25. Right? That candle actually popped almost really close to the next supply zone there. So there it goes. CING, we have been unable to break above that resistance, right? Clearly, double top, triple top, whatever you want to call it, still resistance. So until this thing can break above 1050, it's not going anywhere. Uh, let's go, Jason. Good to hear. Good to see you. Um, Alrighty, and then again, so monkeypox is stalling a bit. Maybe on a retest to $4 if you're looking for a brand new position. Cool, cool. And then ASTS just doesn't stop. Just doesn't stop. Absolute monster. It says 10%, but we all know that it's a lot more than 10%. But so Shankar says yesterday I bought 700 units of CING at 550, and but you sold that position at the market close. I wouldn't worry about that too much, honestly. So like if I look at CING and I go back to the market close, just as an example, right? Again, let's go all the way back to yesterday, right? You sold this thing at the end of the day, so you must have taken a loss on this then, right? You know, this morning we were kind of at the same price still, like early pre-market we were still at the same price, so I wouldn't worry about that too much, right? You couldn't have predicted that this thing was going to wake up and all of a sudden take off another 100%. So especially when it was up 160% already yesterday, right? We closed up 160% and another 100% today. I don't think anybody can really predict that, so I wouldn't worry too much about that. If you're ever concerned about a position, just wake up early, right? If you're ever concerned about a position, just wake up early. There are times where like I'm holding a position. The only like I'm holding a position, I still kind of like a position, but I just don't like the overnight risk because you never know. Like these companies have low floats and multiple splits because they're trash. A lot of these companies are trash, right? So holding overnight, it like again, what makes you think they don't drop an offering first thing in the morning when it's up 160%, right? So sell the damn position, wake up early at 4 a.m. in the morning, and then see how it's performing. Especially when it's breaking above that pre-market, that after-hour high. That's a really good sign that it wants to push higher. So yeah, same range, guys, for this silly thing. So 950 to 1060, same range. Right? We just keep going back and forth for now. Again, the good thing is that at least it's holding the bottom range. It's holding above the 200. So let's see if it continues to stay above that, and then go from there. Riley with a double top, 10675. That's not true. Short people don't love waking up. I do wake up early, but I'm not short. Like my real height is like 6'5" or something like that. You know, but who's really measuring? Anyways, unbelievable. Um, let me know. Let me know. I was gonna ask you guys this morning. So look at this background, right? So look at this background. So like look to the left hand side. Like look to this side, like down here, down. Right? Look at that background and then compare it to this one. No, that's not it. This one. Which one do you guys like better? I know, right, Laura? Very. Line? Rubbish. Um, which one do you guys like better? The blue one, or do you like the other one better? Yeah, exactly, Carl. Don't listen to these guys in the chat. Number two, you like number two better? Okay. The blue one? Okay. Sounds good. Number two. I know the other one is for red days, you know? The other one, you like the other one? Yeah, it's interesting, isn't it? The blue one is nice. Yeah, see, that was my concern on this one too. Like, there's too much movement, right? Like we slowed it down as much as we could, but there's still a lot of movement. Um, the second one is distracting. It is. So yeah, we're gonna use both from time to time, right? So I yeah. Yeah, there you go. Rob, ayo, ayo, ayo. TNXP is actually bouncing. Wow. See, wow. See, again, I think we mentioned earlier that it was holding the low 40s, right? So not bad, not bad. Again, the only difference here now, though, for a name like this is that it actually broke above this left-hand side double top, right? Those two little circles. It actually broke above resistance and closed above on that candle and then took off. So just be mindful. The closer we get to the VWAP up there at 52 cents, just be careful, please. Yeah, yeah. The second one is distracting. You were afraid to jump in at 40 cents. Yeah, and then ASTS is still hitting highs of the day. ZCAR is almost at 25 cents, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. So we finally hit that 25 cents we wanted, 128%. Right. So again, we break one resistance, we go straight to the next resistance, right? So 22.50 broken, 25 cents is next. If we can break about 25 cents now, can we get 28 cents, please? Right? Keep in mind again, there's never anything wrong with selling at resistance and then looking for the next breakout and consolidation and then looking for a brand new position to ride the next wave up, right? Just in case it's a fail and then we go back down. So 25 cents is resistance. Alrighty. Again, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, please, and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, you know what to do. Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot and come join us in Discord. I want to take a look at NVIDIA really quickly just because Virus is all smiley this morning. Because NVIDIA has gone from red to green and he's very happy. Very happy. NVIDIA looks nice. Is the S&P recovering? Should be. Yep. I mean, we're down 69 cents now. Um, like I said, I would not be surprised if we ended up closing the day green just because that's been the way, that's been the trend, the sentiment the last few days. But keep in mind that when you're playing with options today, the goal is to go up and down, up and down, up and down, just because it's Friday expiration, right? So there's going to be a lot of up and down movements. CING is holding that 950 really well, obviously. So we like that 950 level. At the same time, though, it hasn't broken out yet. So we're still failing at $10.60. If that thing breaks 10.60, pack your bags because we're about to push and slap $11 and send it. Alrighty? Send it. Send it. Here comes $10.50 again. 10.55. My goodness. Anyways, and then the other stock that's done really well this morning is PSNL. Really haven't talked about this one a whole lot this morning, but it looks good, right? It's up 38%. It's been all over Discord, so I'm sure some of you guys are in this one as well. Alrighty, already. Yeah. Anyways, so we're gonna talk about this more tomorrow, guys. There's a new platform, super cool, and giveaways. A lot of giveaways. Jason, hi. A lot of giveaways. So well, again, like I said, we're going to introduce you guys to this new platform tomorrow when we do our psychology class, right? A lot of the issues that you guys are having in the market are not strategy based; they're all psychology, right? So we're gonna try and really talk about that tomorrow. You know, we have a survey that we're gonna do live with you guys on stream, right? Rob has been working. So we're going to do that with you guys tomorrow, 3 p.m. Eastern tomorrow already. So, by the way, if you're watching on Stonks, type in the chat and let us know what you're playing with this morning. Let us know if you're holding anything. If you're playing with any of the momentum names, let us know. Alrighty. Um, and then hopefully someday StreamYard needs to combine those comments so they can all come to the same place, But let's go. If you're watching on Stongs, let us know. Say hello in the chat. Spam your favorite emoji, something, so we can say hello to you. Yeah. So again, like I said earlier, right? ZCAR is failing at 25 cents. So there's nothing wrong with selling your position at resistance and then having it close above resistance, and then you take a brand new position. Cool. 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 Yeah, monkeypox is. I keep calling these names monkeypox now, but uh, let's go. Favorite emoji. Um, Ooh, okay. Kimbella, are you in Z car? Golden Z, hi. Hello. That's a pretty beautiful back test, though, right, guys? I think we were looking for $4 on the back test for GOVX. Really good retest. So a break of $4, which we know is resistance, and then a retest of $4, and then a pushback to the highs of the day, which is perfect. So your next resistance will be in the high 430s. You don't know when to leave. What do you mean? Like you're not sure when to get rid of a position. Like you're in a position, you're green in that position. You're just not sure when to leave. Oh, a specific question. Okay, I'll take a look at that question then. UBXG. You're wondering when to get rid of this position. What did you buy this thing at? Let me know. Ooh, congratulations. Well done. Look at that. All-time highs today. Good job. When did you buy this thing? Let me know. Yeah, that thing's gone from 550s all the way to $22. If this is one of those China IPOs, you want to be very careful because at some point this thing is going to be at $2. Promise. Yep, China. There it is. Bottom. Beijing, China. At some point, this thing will be in the abyss. That's a promise, right? In the last 3 months, it's up 300%. So it's been cooking. Not sure if there's a reason for this, all of this cooking. Don't think so. Um, but yeah, let me know what your position is. The reason I say that is because how many China IPOs have we seen in the last few months that have gone from like $5 all the way to the 20s and the 30s, and then boom skis. It's down 90% in one day, right? So just be very careful. But again, let me know what your position is, Chung, and I'll take a look. Good run though. Congratulations. Good run. Mara, what's Mara doing today? Yeah, Bitcoin has had a really nice bounce. So let me know your position is strong, and then I'll take a look so we can move on. ASTS, my goodness, does this thing ever stop? Like what's gonna stop this thing? You only have a few at $8. What's your current stop loss at on that position? Because at the very least, you should have a stop loss. Alrighty, at the very least, you should have a stop loss. So what's that stop loss at now? Let's go, virus. Come on. Somebody needs to fix that, Elon. Somebody does. Somebody does. I mean, Elon could have spent all of that money on, anyways. Good things. Good things are being done, Golden. So let's go, virus and thrust. And thrust. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, we need to do like our regular streams, like morning streams on the YouTubes, and then we need to do like our power hour streams on Stongs, Jason. What do we are we and then we can do some giveaways, so that'd be fun. That'll be funsies, right? So super cool. Uh, you sold a few yesterday, Chung. Okay, congratulations, good job. Yeah. So if I were you, I would honestly today, like every single day, when you what's we'll talk about stocks later, and what it is, and then especially tomorrow we're going to be on there. But so what I would do if I were in your position is I would look at the closing price for a name like this that you're not quite sure about. I would say, okay, you know what, today, like, we're $2 higher at the very least. I would put a stop loss at the break even price. So if we're $2 higher at $22, well, then that stop loss should be right below $20, 19.99 or something like that. Chong, is what I would do. I know, right? Since $4, it's been cooking. It's been cooking. My goodness. Again, the good thing about this is, like, it's cooking from a fundamental point. Like, it's not just a momentum play, right? So really impressive run on this thing. CING looks like it wants to break out at some point, but it's not quite doing it yet. So eventually. I don't know why your name is green, virus. There goes. There we go, guys. Come on, just cook. Sheesh. Like, the damn thing really wants to go, Here we go, guys. Oh my days. 11:28. Finally. Can somebody call the FBI now? Because we're about to cook. We are about to cook now. Are we halted up, guys? It's about time. About time. Nope, we're not halted. The damn thing is not halted. I don't know why I was stuck there. It's not halted. We're just going back and forth. Like, we cannot close above $10.50. At the same time, we keep coming back to 9.50 and then bouncing. So the range is wild on this thing. Look at that. We're back into the tens again. And then we're back into the nines again. Right? So like I said, you're either looking for position at support or you're looking for break and close above resistance. Right? So clearly, none of these candles have closed above $10.50. So if you're jumping in as it's breaking and pumping like that, it's clearly FOMO. Right? So again, you're looking for support or you're looking for a break and close above resistance. So until we break and close above $10.50, 10.60, we're not quite ready yet. Right? So we need to break and close above resistance. I keep saying 1050 because it's a nice number to say, but really it's a bit higher, right? So 10 right above 1060. So up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Honestly, Lion, pretty silly at this point, isn't it? So ZCAR came all the way back down, guys, right? Like I said earlier, there's nothing wrong with getting to resistance at 25 cents, which we know is resistance, selling that position, and then waiting to see if we get a dip ski or if we get a breakout, and then look for a brand new position. These are momentum scalps. They're not positions to be diamond handing. Are you being patient? So when you say you're being patient and looking for an entry, what exactly are you looking for, right? What exactly are you looking for? Really, Lion? Yup. See, like, I'm not quite sure what's going on with that thing. What did you end up getting filled at? He almost did, Carl? Yeah. So when you say you're looking for an entry, what exactly are you looking for? We can talk about entries and exits and whatnot. Entries and exits. Yeah. See, the only good thing for now is, again, we know where the bottom of the range is, right? Right, Michelle. Michelle is going to be on tomorrow with us, guys, on stonks. So we're gonna have some funsies. And again, monkeypox is still looking really good. So GOVX is looking beautiful, right? And so is SIGA, right, on the other side of the screen. So both of these names are looking good, right? As long, like I said, as long as those monkeypox headlines keep coming out, these names are gonna keep cooking, right? They're gonna keep cooking. SIGA, GOVX, cooking. So here we go again. Here we go again. Monkeypox, the mpox virus. So yeah, that's that again. So resistance at $4.40, and there goes another fail, right? So again, always remember that. You know what I'm trying to say. Just guess. Let's go, Michelle. Politics. Politics. Are we gonna bounce? Kind of consolidating. Retest of the breakout, right, guys? Again, so it almost seems like we talk about the same stuff every single day, which is fine because that's what we're gonna need to do. You know, when it comes to stonks, we're basically trying to replicate whatever strategy that is on every single day on different stonks, right? So it really doesn't matter that it doesn't really matter that like we're repeating stuff over and over. That should actually be the goal, right? You're looking for a strategy that you can repeat every single day and consistently make money, right? So whoever's holding UBXG is smiling because that thing is going for new highs of the day. So just keep moving that stop loss up and you should be fine. Should be a-okay. Tesla, what's Tesla doing? Tesla 220. Oh wow, Tesla is almost at 220, guys. Dang. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Tesla is almost back to 220. Michelle, be quiet. Don't say anything. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. No rubbish about Tesla. And the S&P has recovered all its losses as Nvidia is cooking. Do, 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 do. Cooking. Do, 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 do. Interesting. See, yeah, unbelievable, unbelievable. I knew it. Every time I say Tesla, Michelle's gonna feel the need to roast me. So I just have to get ahead of it. Yeah, the only thing that's gonna rug pull you, Tesh, is Bitcoin. That's it. That's it. You got some Tesla puts. That sounds like the right thing to do. At 220, sounds like the right thing to do. Michelle, go get some Tesla puts. I'm kidding, by the way. There we go. EBS was another monkeypox name. See, I had no idea. I looked at three names that I really liked and ignored everything else. There are a lot of names that we have played with recently, and they're all monkeypox names. Really interesting. So people seem to really love the monkeypox theme here. Cool. Thank you, Pablo. Delete that alert, please. ST. Delete that alert for Mullen. Nobody should be looking at Mullen. Nobody should. Do 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 do. uh, the only thing that Bitcoin is going to be cooking this weekend is, anyways. Anyways, I'll be nice. I'll be nice. Okay. I'll be nice. Um, well done, virus. Love it. Daily target has been hit. The daily target. Do, 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 do. Virus, is the other platform easy for you to navigate? Easy to navigate. Yep, it's just a matter of time before Mullen pulls out an S1. Just a matter of time. Michelle, you know what? You know what? Anyways, where's Hugh? Where's Hugh with the fantasy monies? Hugh's sleeping. He slept in, and then Hugh's gonna show up when the stream is done, and then the fantasy deadline is over. LGCL. Do I even say like thank you for the super sticker? Because I feel like Michelle's trying to roast me, you know. But 0.06 fall. Yeah, let's move on to GOVX. There goes new highs of the day. Oof, beautiful. My goodness, beautiful. Again, if you're still holding GOVX, type in yes in the chat. Nvidia looks nice today. Nvidia looks very nice. So congratulations to all of you holding NVDA. Right, those dips in the 90s for Nvidia. My goodness. Talk about beautiful. Chris, well done. Nvidia. So Tesla's cooking, Nvidia's cooking. Um, uh, see, I'll be nice. I'll be nice. Today I would try and be nice, you know. Whoosah. There goes 444. 444. Green? Oh, the name, Golden Z. Oh, you changed the color of your name. You can do that? Oh, wow. Interesting. Cool. Very cool. Well done, Scott. So Scott said he got into GOVX at 390, out at $4.20. Not bad, right? Monies is monies. There goes GOVX, new highs of the day. Beautiful. Monies is monies, guys. Monies is monies. And I feel like we've talked about these monkeypox names, for so many days now that, like, honestly, everybody should be printing monies on these, right? So, printing monies on these names. Look at that thing cook. Woo, woof, woof, woof. Look at that thing cook, guys. The monkeypox. I still will not. I will not forget the first time we mentioned this on Monday, GOVX, or like we mentioned, Pablo brought up monkeypox. The first thing everybody said was like, "How do we make money on this? You guys are wild. Straight to jail. Straight to hell." Sean got in at $4, out at 450. Well done, Sean. Give me a high five. Well done. People are getting monkeypox. Sean is making monies. Sheesh. No, it's not. It's not. Can you connect Weibo to TradingView? Yes, you can. You can connect Weibo to TradingView. Yeah, yeah. You can connect the Weibo to TradingView, and then you can trade from there. I think depending on your location as well, the integration might be, yeah. Yeah, there should be there is a video in the education channel in Discord actually on how to connect it. Yeah, you love it, Chris? Yeah, okay. Uh, yeah, I think Rob did a video and posted in the education channel how to connect Weibo to TradingView. So should be able to find it in there. So really good push, guys. Really good push on this one. It's been a fairly easy name to scalpies, right? A lot of you guys have been holding this thing for multiple days now. So again, congratulations, right? Another 40% gain today on GOVX. So again, congratulations. Well done. Well done, skis. NVIDIA, again, watch 125 there next, right? I can see all the smiles today because NVIDIA is cooking. All the smiles. Everybody's smiling. Yay, I'm making monies. Congratulations. Right? When the market crashes, you don't panic. You do your research and you dollar cost average into amazing companies, right? Right. Because then when we do bounce, it's all smiles from there. Happy faces. Yeah, EBS is another monkeypox name, Alex. Again, there's a watch list in Trade Ideas that Pablo's posted, and for the monkeypox names, and GOVX is number one, and EBS is number two. So some really good runs on these names. Really good runs. ASTS is getting slapped a bit there, right? Only a matter of time before people take profits. So Oh wow, that thing's gone from green to red. Sheesh, from 36 to 29. Dang, the sky is falling. Um, so there you go. Right? From $2 to $36. Lock in those gains or put a stop loss somewhere, and if it hits, it hits. That's fine. Right? It's not every day you see a stock go from $2 to $36 in less than 2 months. Don't think it's even been 2 months. ZCAR is still kind of dipping here. Again, that 25 exit was nice. Right? And then wait for the next breakout. If it doesn't come, it doesn't come. GOVX not stopping. Straight to the moon. Straight to the moon, guys. Straight to the moon. Um, yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun on stonks tomorrow. A lot of fun. There goes 280, guys. Ooh, monkeypox. My goodness. My goodness. That's not what I want. EBS. Copy. Okay. Ooh, look at that 490, guys. 490, 490, 490, 499. Ooh, wee. My goodness, monkeypox. My goodness. Make sure you make a donation this weekend to the Monkeypox Foundation because that thing is cooking. My days. Cooking. Shish. Again, don't forget to pay yourself on the way up, please. Always. At the very least, make sure you're moving those stop losses higher, please. Alrighty? Please and thank you. Uh, there you go. Make sure you're moving those stop losses higher. Please and thank you. Make those monies. Again, these are not new names. These are not names that should be like, oh my goodness, where are these names coming from? I've never seen these names before, right? No, these are all stocks we've talked about for the entire week now. So most of you guys should be printing monies on these. Alrighty. So again, congratulations. Congrats, congrats, congrats. T-Rex. Did it break below 950? Yeah. Yeah, that thing never really closed above that breakout zone, did it? Yeah. There goes $5. New highs of the day. New highs of the day. The new highs of the day. Send it. Sheesh. $3.10. Yeah. One second. There you go. Perfect. Coming home. It's only a matter of time. Only a matter of time. Should you short it, Jasmine? Why are you shorting it? Let me take a look. I mean, $5 might be a good short. Let me just look at the daily though. I'm not one to see a stock that clearly has momentum and then I'm like, hey, let me go short that stock, right? So, I mean, if we can push up a little bit higher, $6. Okay, Jasmine. Take us to $6, and then you can do whatever you want. I'm kidding, but no. So when you're looking to short positions, you kind of need to see a bit of weakness, right? You can if you want to, as long as we don't create a brand new high, and as long as these candles close below $5, that might be okay, right? So if you take a short position, just make sure we keep closing candles below $5. If we don't, you have a problem. Cool, cool. So that's what I would do if I was interested in the short. Again, I'm not one to look at a position that is, potentially something that was swinging for multiple days, or something that has a lot of momentum, and then I'm like, hey, let me go short this thing, right? Um, not one to do that. That's not for me. But I mean, if you want to, just make sure you have a good plan there. Guardian, see, that's the vibe, isn't it? It's like, hey, this, we mentioned earlier, like this could be a potential good weekend thing, right? There goes new highs of the day. There goes 511. There goes 516, right? There goes 520. Cooking. There goes 525, 530, right? I don't see a position like this, and I'm like, hey, let me go short this thing, right? It's cooking. So, monkeypox on the fire. Monkeypox on fire. Oh no, that's the wrong channel. Yeah, let's see. On fire. On fire. Uh, yeah, there you go. There you go, Lion. There you go. There you go. So if you're gonna short something, make sure that you see a little bit of resistance, right? Guardian, you're up 100%. Make sure you take some profits off the table before we get to the weekend, please, right? Even if you're gonna hold over the weekend, and like I would, again, if I were you, I would not hold a 100% swing. I would not hold the play as a swing that's up 100% already, right? So I would lock some profits in before we go into the weekend, and then you can, hold some of it. Amanda said I shorted monkeypox stocks last time and I was under the water for a while. It went up. Yeah, exactly. Eventually made a stressful swing. Yeah, exactly. So it's a play that potentially has a swing, that potentially has a theme, right? So if we go into the weekend and these things have new headlines, you bet these things are going to keep cooking, right? If again, if you wake up on Monday morning, Sunday morning, and there's like headlines that monkeypox is in the States now, these stocks are gonna cook. So, but I would, again, guys, when it comes to swing plays, you only swing a stock if your plan for the day went according to plan, right? So let's say you're in a stock at $3, $4, right? And we're sitting at $5, and your stop loss is 450, and you're holding that thing all day, and your stop loss doesn't hit. Then you're like, okay, you know what? Let me make a decision at the end of the day because this looks really good, right? You don't take your stop loss off the table, everything off the table, and you're diamond handing it because you're like, hey, I want to swing this, and I'm waiting for some good news, right? Monies that you lock in will always be better than money that you hope to get on Monday. Cool. So if you're up 100%, happy days, right? Happy days. We can eat today, and then we can come back and eat on Monday, right? So like I said last week, when I give you breakfast, you eat the damn breakfast first, and then you come back for lunch, and then you say, hey, what's for lunch, right? You don't say, hey, let me save this breakfast, and then let me save this lunch, and then let me save my dinner. I'm gonna have it on Monday, right? So you eat now, and then you look for more food later. So when you're up 100% on a play, you consider locking in some gains, or you have a plan for that position, and then you can decide later what you want to do, right? Uh, Dennis, I don't know. We shall find out soon enough, right? So, yeah, eat the damn breakfast, right? Eat the damn breakfast now, and then we can look for more food later. We go hunting later, okay? So again, these names are looking good. If you're not sure, like if you're looking for other sympathy plays, like I've said, guys, there's a whole monkeypox watch list in trade ideas. There's a whole watch list in trade ideas, right? So um, there's a whole watch list in trade ideas. So you can take a look at that too. So there goes 61%. Sheesh. Beautiful. Again, if you're still in this play or you've made monies in GOVX, type in yes in the chat. If you're still in there or you've made money, type in yes in the chat. Do, 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 do. Let's go. Laura, the entire chat is like, yes, I made monies. I made monies in monkeypox, guys. Brad says yes. 12 says yes. CCAR says yes. RNG, yes. TK, yes. Natalia, let's go. Raven is cooking. 1,000, Eric. Let's go to 1,000, please. Lorenda, make monies, please. Everybody's making monies in this stock. Everybody's making monies. There goes new highs of the day. $5.50. Sheesh. Again, keep moving those stop losses higher, though, right? Move those stop losses higher, please. Keep moving those stop losses higher. If you're watching over on Stonks, Hi Stonks chat, don't forget to hit the follow button on Stonks. Hit the follow. Hit the follow. Hit the follow. Hit the follow. I don't think there's a like smashing, but hit the follow. Alrighty, and we're going to be live again tomorrow on Stonks for a psychology class, trading psychology class. TNXP is also a monkeypox stock, by the way. If you guys didn't know that, TNXP is a monkeypox stock. So most of the names that are cooking today, monkeypox. So people clearly love the monkeypox. Hit the follow. A lot of these smaller stocks cooked. Exactly, Sean. Exactly. Yeah, Palantir has done really well. Anybody that bought the dipskis on Palantir is very happy. Are you flying back to the UK today, AJ? Lucas said, finally got unlimited accounts up to one. Let's go, Lucas. Come on. Now it's time to be a goat, please. Alrighty, Lucas? Now it's time to cook. No more diamond hands. Uh, and you get confused, Eric? What membership do you have? I think you said you were joining today, right? How do you join Discord? What membership do you have, Eric? If you have the free membership, then you just need to upgrade on YouTube and then you should be good to go. Lizzie, come join us too. Come join us, Lizzie. Alrighty? Let's go, Golden. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, again, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, please, and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, you know what to do. Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us in Discord. Cool? Cool. Again, Pablo's been spamming these monkeypox headlines and again the list since Monday now. So this is not a name that you could say, oh, but I missed it, right? So these names have been being spammed for multiple days now. So, heyo, Andre, heyo, how are you? Are you making some monies in monkeypox? So I'm gonna post a link tomorrow, Sunny. I'm gonna post a link tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll post a link. Tonight actually, I'll post a link tonight, and then you guys can follow on Stonks, and then we will do a class tomorrow on Stonks. Alrighty, Sunny, we'll do a class tomorrow. But I'll post a link. I'll post a link tonight with some details of what we will talk about tomorrow. It's always nice when we're going to do like a bit of a psychology class and a Q&A. So if you have questions, guys, please bring those questions, right? You know, like I said this morning, when you guys spam me with questions like 10 minutes before the market opens, like they're really amazing questions and I really want to answer those questions. But then I'm also trying to like get ready and come on stream, right? So then I miss your questions or like I don't, so yeah. Alrighty. Yeah. So make sure you write down those questions. Bring them tomorrow, please. Bring those questions tomorrow to the stream. 22-ish bulldozer. La 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 la. Absolutely, Pablo. Absolutely. Sun is halted up. SUUN halted up. Virus. Yeah. Yeah, closer to 22, right? So you might even have a double bottom in like the high 20, so 2180. You might even have a double bottom at that level, but I'd be looking for 22 to see if we could stay above it. Yeah. I see, Car, you looking to join us for the class tomorrow, or you're just looking to join Discord? Let me know. Vrax, NVIDIA is cooking still. Highs of the day for NVIDIA. Oof. Good morning, Jaspreet. How are you? How are you? Cooking. What a beautiful day in the market. Are you trying to join the class tomorrow? Okay, sounds good. I'll post a link for stonks then. I'll post a link for stonks. So that's the link at the bottom of the chat there for you, just for CCAR. And then for everybody else, don't worry, there'll be a link in Discord. Ready? GOVX stalling a little bit and dipping, which is fine, right? Which is A-OK. Which is A-OK. Let's go. Let's go. So yeah, make sure when you go over to Stonksy, don't forget to follow. Don't forget to follow, guys. Make sure you follow. Yep, exactly. If you're having a green Friday, I know I keep asking you guys to type in yes, but one second, one second. I'm multitasking. 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 Do, do, do. Perfect. Love it. Pablo means history doesn't repeat it, but it rhymes. Oh, you're jumping on ADPN as well, another monkeypox name. You joined CCAR? Good. So 3 p.m. Eastern time tomorrow is when we're going to do the class. 3 p.m. Eastern time. 3 p.m. Eastern. BUR, you just received the patent. Not sure how that's going to affect the stock, but just looking at these positions here. Do I need to close that position? No, we do not. Need to close that position. Perfect. Is Tesla going to the abyss yet? How do I know if G is going to keep trending up? Like, is it an entry now that it's dropped a bit? Lorenda, Laura, sorry, so many L names. Sorry. So what you're looking for is, again, I'm like Laura. When I say like become a gold member, I'm not even kidding. I'm not even kidding. There are things that I will not say on YouTube, right? That I will say in a group class or in like in a one-on-one session, right? So like when you say like how do you know when that it's going to keep trending up, as in like you're looking for a swing play or you're just looking for a scalp, because they're complete different things, right? Let me know. Uh, so 3 p.m. is 10 p.m. Qatar time. 10 p.m. I have no idea. I have no idea, honestly. Right? But what you're looking for, Lorenda, is you're looking for higher lows consistently, right? So when it's dropping like that, you're looking for areas that it's consolidating at and then curling back up is what you're looking for, right? Because that's what we're going to continue to do all day. Like if I scroll all the way to the bottom, you're going to see that for the most part, Laura, it's been higher lows, right? We drop, we retest the 20 maybe, and then we get back above the 9, right? We retest the 20. I'm going to have to fix that line because I just moved it, right? You see how we retest the 20 multiple times? Right? Look at that retest of the 20. Look at that retest, boom, skis, right? What are we doing here now? We're kind of retesting the 20, right? And that's what a lot of technical analysis is, right? Wait, did you send like what did you do, Hugh? Let's go. Did Hugh just send us two super chats of like $600? There goes 560. Look at that retest of the 20, and then boom skis. Sheesh. Hugh, did you duplicate that, or did you no, that's a glitch on wait, that's not a glitch. Did you send two super chats? Why, Hugh? I think it's one super chat. You criminal. Taxes and fees coming up. Let's go, Hugh. Come on, come on, come on. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Hugh. Um, and let's get ready to fantasy, please. Let's get ready to fantasy now. Make sure you have your team locked. I'm gonna disappear for a few hours today to lock in my fantasy team, and then we could cook from there. So 10 p.m. Oh, thank you, Golden. Thank you. Yeah, so 10 p.m. then. 10 p.m. August 16, 5 a.m. Let's go. We live. Let's go. Let's go, TK. So fantasy. Are you on my team, Sunny? I mean, you could be. Let's go, Hugh. See, I'm telling you, like, no more slacking. I was about to send you a message, like, no more slacking. We need you back on these streams and in stock general. Like, we just need to do better. Hugh, good to see you. No, Hugh's been traveling, guys, and he's been traveling, and he's been traveling and traveling and traveling. So, yeah. Uh, okay, perfect. Traveling and traveling. Okay, there we go. Yeah, ZCAR broke below that level and went straight to the abyss, right? Clearly, when you look at a level, so I've said this multiple times, right? So when you have support, on a stock, right? When we get to that level, it's really important that you give it a second to make sure that it's actually consolidating, right? If it's not consolidating, it's not a play, please, right? So LGCL is another one that's really cooking, really cooking. So congratulations on this one as well. It's been spammed in Discord so many times, right? Yeah. Mark Twain. Mark Twain. Yeah, yeah. Lion, did you get into this one? Did you get in on this one? Uh, okay, interesting. Oh, APDN. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Perfect. NVIDIA with a bit of a sell-off, but that's okay. I think it's more than yeah. It is, yeah, CCAR, it is. For this weekend at least. It is. So usually we do those weekends for members only. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Usually we let's go, Hugh. See, that's what I wanted. That's what I want to hear, Hugh. That's what I want to hear. Welcome back. It's good to have you in the chat. Yes, I will do better. I've missed the Hot Trades T fam. Thrusted. Let's go, Hugh. Come on. Welcome back. How do you become a member? If you want to become a member and join us in Discord, you have to click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot, and then yeah. So click on the Nightbot link. Make sure you sign up for the right level though, please. Again, Discord Community Legend or Goat. One of those levels will give you access to Discord. Cool. 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 Hugh, thank you very much for the super chat. I know the first one's fantasy, and thank you very much for the. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Is your team good to go though, Hugh? You're locked in and good to go? And there goes a bit of a sell-off. Another retest of the 20 EMA. So, yeah. Laura, another thing to keep in mind is I would, so let's say you're watching for the 20 EMA, let's say you're watching for support on any given stock, right? I would never touch the first candle on a retest of support ever, ever, ever. The reason for that is because how do you know that that candle is actually going to hold, right? Consolidation is really important, really, really important, right? Let's go, Laura. Let's go, right? So Laura is officially a gold member, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So Laura, make sure you go into the one-on-one channel in Discord. There's a calendar in there, and then book, schedule a session, please. Alrighty. Again, guys, invest in yourself. Let's get this thing started. Not kidding, Laura. Not kidding. Again, like I was saying this morning, when I look at the conversation in Discord, I look at the conversation and I see the members that are gold members. I'm like, oh, these are complete different conversations. You know, some of these guys are saying like, I've hit my goal for the day. I'm $80 for my goal. I just did another nice little scalp. Versus people asking like, hey, what's a good entry? Do I buy now? Do I buy now? I'm like, either you watch the videos or you ask questions or you become a gold member. I know you. I just honestly stopped looking so then I could, look at this, guys. Chris said, since my last one-on-one with Blaze, I've only had 2 red days, 8 green days, 2 red days. It's worth it, right? Chris, give me a damn high five. Let's go, right? Sometimes you just have to have a conversation with someone, right? Let's talk about entries. Like, what are you doing wrong, right? What can we fix? And then we keep having conversations, right? Chris and I have had multiple one-on-ones, right? Hell yeah, Chris. Hell yeah. So look at that, 8 green days, 2 red days. It's almost like, it's the exact same thing we say all the time. Like when we build a strategy on something that's working 80% of the time, right? Yes, you're going to have red days, but we're going to have a lot more green days. So love it, right? Again, the gold members are cooking. Other members are asking like, hey, is this a good entry? I'm like, I don't know what to say, right? I don't know what to say. Like at some point you have to say, you know what, I'm going to invest in myself. I'm just gonna, I'm gonna better myself. This, I mean, look, think about it. The knowledge that Chris has now, let's say we stop streaming today. Guess what? Chris is gonna cook for multiple years, right? Chris doesn't need me anymore. Well, he does, because again, the strategy is constantly evolving, right? Like some of the members have been gold members for like, for a year or so, right? Since we created the gold level. Some members have been like gold members and they've been cooking ever since. But the strategies of like the strategy changes every few months, right? Because market makers change, right? We have to adapt to the market. So we cook until we can't cook anymore, and then we adapt, right? Like Chris doesn't need me to cook anymore. Well, Chris does, but you know what I mean, right? So when I say do better, invest in yourself, or just lose the monies in the markets instead, right? But T Strong, let's go. We have another gold member, guys. Another gold member. Let's go, T Strong. So again, when you become a gold member, make sure you go into Discord and schedule a one-on-one, please. Alrighty, I think. Anyways, I'm not gonna look at that calendar because every time I look at that calendar, I'm like, who's gonna do all of these? Rob is gonna do them. Um, Now that he was back too. Anyways, let's go, Justin. Teamwork, 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 teamwork. We cook together. Look at that. I mean, 12 monkey was again. We had a one-on-one. Like we've had one. I mean, like for some people it takes one-on-one. For some people it takes multiple, and some people cook enough that they don't ever need to leave the goat level. Like 12 monkey, we've had one session, one-on-one. He's been cooking ever since. I'm cooking every chance I get. Like these guys are not paid to say stuff like this. These are just random members in the chat as well that were struggling with entries, and they're like, you know what? Let me become a gold member. Like, what can you teach me? Like you're live on YouTube every day. Like, what else are you gonna tell me? Right? 12 Monkey's been cooking ever since. Like Rob and I said, you know what? Like he doesn't have time. Let's get on. We had a one-on-one at like 10 p.m. at night, and he's been a chef ever since. So yeah, yeah. La, 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 la. Uh, there we go. I smell monies. I smell monies, virus. I smell cooking. I smell cooking. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Anyways, again, congratulations today. If you're cooking, please. You love the smell, Hugh. Love it. Love it. Do you still have other people like, or like, are you back to trading on your own now, Hugh? Are you back trading on your own? You're still doing like other stuff. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. If you're watching over on Stonks, hello. Don't forget to hit the. Don't forget to hit. I like I'm waving to the other screen. You know, I'm like, hello. I'm waving to the other screen as if you guys. But it's the same camera. Anyways, hello. Make sure you hit the follow button on Stonks if you haven't already. Alrighty. And then make sure you join us tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Again, I'll post more details today. QRTEB is halted up. Halted up. La 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 la. Okay. So pretty to the abyss, virus. Oh, I smell Tesla crashing. Dedicate every second to the craft. I know, shame on me. Yeah, no, that's okay though. That's okay. That is a okay. That is a okay. Uh, I'm just looking at I see. I see. I see. I see. Uh, Futures. Okay, perfect. 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 Good. 150% on those Tesla puts. Let's go, virus. Let's go. Well done. Will it be recorded, Lauren? I'm not sure, honestly. I'm not sure how we're gonna do it. I'm honestly not sure. We'll figure that out later. We shall figure that out later. Alrighty. NVIDIA with a nice little dipski there. Nice little dipski from red to green. From green to red. So again, today will be up and down, right? On a Friday, OPEX, uh, volatility, right? So greens and reds and greens and reds. So virus, good job on those puts for Tesla. Tesla is the safest thing to short in the market, honestly. Every time Tesla pays. CING is back into that 950 stupid range again, right? So it looks like we found a new demand zone at 890, consolidated, and then crossed back above the 9 and then popped. So not bad at all. And here goes a nice little retest for GOVX. So again, give that thing time to consolidate. Yeah, we could be looking at 490 or the 50 EMA for consolidation, but give that thing time to consolidate, please. Give that thing time to consolidate. Let's go. Yeah, no, Lauren, I'll try, and it should be recorded. It should be recorded. It should be. I'll try to make sure that it is recorded. Yeah. Yeah, should be. Yeah, because I know some people are going to be working on Saturdays and they will not be able to watch or join us. So, yeah, it should be recorded. Virus. I mean, virus is always in on the yeah. Jasmine, you shorted at the very high of the day, at the very very tippity top. Yeah. Did you and Virus, get into that same position, that same short? uh, why didn't you tell us you're shorting? Let's go, Joe. Let's go. Let's go. You got lucky. Okay. Very nice. When are you gonna become a member, Jasmine? When? Maybe that the same time Tash upgrades. Yeah. Tash, don't lie. You're always drunk and watching football. You're always drunk. Pablo says I will be departing soon to try to figure out. Well, I will. Yeah, today's. Yeah, I have a like. What is it? So let's do 40 more minutes, guys. 40 more minutes, and then I have some one-on-ones, and then I have to fix my fantasy team too. So I don't know whose idea it was to like schedule like one-on-ones on a Friday on the same day. That's so I have a one-on-one with Chris, and why do I feel like someone's one-on-one is gonna be what's the deadline? I'm gonna be slacking today. Yeah. Well, thank you, Jasmine. Thank you. All I want from you, Jasmine, is yeah. Chris, cancel your one on one. No, don't cancel your one on one, Chris. I should have enough time to. But if you hear me say that's because your boy has. Uh, am I not plugged in? I'm not plugged in. There you go. Sorry, Josh. Too loud. Too loud. Sorry. 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 Yeah. No, I just need to check my team. I don't have time to watch. I don't have time, Pablo. Looks like we're consolidating a 490 here though for GOVX. Ayo, Josh. Ayo. How are you? How does it feel to be back home? And so CING is still curling nicely off the demand zone. I think who was asking about this? Yeah, your next resistance is closer to $10. There's so 980, 975. It's kind of where that downtrend is sitting for now, right? So from the top to where we're at now, and you can see the candle stalling at that price, anyways, right? So if you're holding that thing, yeah, just be aware that 975, 980 resistance. Wait a minute. No, but I'm always paying attention, Rob. I promise. Today is the exception, you know? Yeah. It really is, Pablo. It really is. I mean, these things have had multiple 30% gain days, right? So, really, really good pumpies. Michelle got into the other one, which is ADPN, right? That's another monkeypox name. Let me zoom out here really quickly. Uh, APDN. My, I just, okay, there we go. APDN. Yeah, really good push. Highs of the day, 50 cents. Not bad. Uh, let's go, Josh. A couple of weeks is coming home from camp, and okay, sounds good, Josh. Sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah, it looks like we're still failing at that same resistance there for CING, right? So again, 975, 980 resistance on this one. Alrighty, so just be mindful. NVIDIA looks like it's bouncing a little bit off that demand zone. So you have a double pivot at like 122.50. So let's see if NVIDIA can stay above that level. And then GOVX is coming right back down. So still struggling with the 9. Maybe we can go back and retest the view up there. Maybe, maybe not. Uh, yeah. I mean, anyways. GDHG with the pop. Golden Heaven. Hmm, interesting. Don't listen to Pablo, guys. Don't listen to Pablo. Don't listen, please. Don't listen. Don't listen to Pablo. Don't listen to Virus either, you know? Unbelievable. Don't listen to these criminals. Please. Rubbish. Uh, 490, 485. Interesting. Don't listen to Josh either, please. APDN is hitting brand new highs of the day, so someone's FOMOing. So Michelle, again, good job on this one, by the way. Good job. Yep, that's a really nice candle. It looks like it's about to push for 52 cents. So again, this is another monkeypox stock. For those of you guys that are not sure, Michelle has been spamming this one in Discord already. So Michelle said she was jumping into this one. It was one of the names that really hadn't, moved a whole lot yet. So yeah, that thing with a really nice cook there. I can see a few Twitter accounts pumping this one now too. Again, everything that we're looking at now for the most part is monkeypox. Monkeypox. Well done, Wes. Yeah, Wes has been cooking on VERI as well. So love it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There goes 53. Uh, la, 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 la. Uh, do, do, do. Choo. Perfect. Perfect. Uh, funny. Let's go, Pablo. As always. Absolutely. I know, Hugh. NVAX is another one. NVAX is really not. Um, Maybe it's really not one of the. We're looking for momentum plays though, right? So it's not really one that I've seen that has had a lot of momentum with monkeypox. Maybe back in 2022, but yeah. So again, the ones that I like the most, especially I mean like GOVX has been at the top of my list. Again like This is the one that we usually run to in spam because it has a nice float, it has a nice price, it has the momentum, right? APDN is obviously another one that we played with this week. A lot of resistance at 54, 55. So pay attention to that. VRAX was another one that did really well 2 days ago, right? AEMD is another one that ran not too long ago. Exactly, Pablo. So there's a whole watch list again that Pablo's posted multiple times, right? So take a look at that. Um, yeah, Vrax was a cooker back in the COVID days, right? This is a bit different. This is monkeypox. When it comes to COVID plays, yeah, no, we can take a look at NVAX. NVAX. There goes 55 cents for APDN. So again, Michelle has been spamming this one in Discord. It's up 25%, right? So congratulations if you're in it. And yep, TNXP obviously is another one of those names. It had its run in pre-market and hasn't really done anything. Vrax looks like it's doing. As soon as we mention Vrax is like, hey, I remember. But Vrax is out 28% though, 30% almost. So that's another monkeypox play. So everything we're looking at today now is monkeypox. Everybody wants to be a part of the monkeypox rally. So we're tapping double tops here though, so be careful, right? So I would not be FOMOing in at double tops unless we break and we actually close above. I'd be a little bit careful, please. Cool, 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 cool. Uh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll let you know. So 182 then. Jason, are you still watching? Let me know if you're still watching. Give me some cool stuff so we can have for tomorrow, like giveaways. Can we do giveaways tomorrow, Jason? Anybody on stonks? Can we do giveaways tomorrow, like other giveaways? Yeah, Monday. Yeah, exactly, Pablo. Exactly. This morning was at 140, so it's done really well, right? Yeah. Let me know. Do some cool stuff. There goes your. Look at that beautiful candle, guys. So again, we've talked about like the addition of the golden candle, right, guys? The addition of the golden candle. So that's a perfect golden candle. A perfect golden candle. Let's go, virus. Right? Again, what does the golden candle mean, guys? It means reversal in whichever direction that is. Right? So, yeah. So, again, that golden candle was perfect in terms of calling the bottom, right? As soon as we see that gold candle, ooh, wee, my goodness. Rob, give yourself a high five. Can we give you guys the tools? Like we give you guys the tools, the ideas, the education, the community, right? We're just gonna keep giving. Just keep giving, right? Keep giving, right? So again, that was a beautiful bottom on that candle, right? So beautiful, very beautiful, very, very beautiful, right? So, anyways, let me scroll back to where we're at now. So Josh is giving away a whole bunch of memberships, guys. Let's go, Josh. Let's go. Sheesh. Ooh, wait. Josh said, "Did somebody say giveaways? Let's give. Congratulations, guys, if you got a free membership. Congrats, 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 congrats. Ready? Take advantage of it, please. Take advantage. Santa Josh in the chat with the giveaways. Again, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. And let's go, Eric. Yay. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, virus. Uh, well done, Jeff. Keep it simple, please. What time is it? Okay, we have a lot of time still. Good. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. If you're having a good Friday, guys, and you've made monies, type in yes in the chat. If you're having a good Friday, you've made monies today, type in yes in the chat. Yeah, Vrax is still failing on that double top. So $1.80 still. How do I join Discord? I feel like you're a boomer asking. No, that's okay. So again, what membership did you get, Eric? Let me know, please, and then I'll help you out. Virus said, "Yeah, I'm having a good day. Yeah, I'm having a good day. Yeah, I'm having a good day. Yes, Lorenda, I'm having a good day. Eric is having a good day. Let's go, Josh. Let's go, Joe. Joe's having a good day. See, Senor Pablo's having a good day. He's moving to the Dominican soon. Criminal. Great week, Pablo. Great week. Kimbella is having an amazing day. Right. Budoza is having a good day. Nicola is green. Right. So keep cooking, guys. Keep cooking. Please and thank you. Keep cooking. Samuel is having a good day. Laura, I know, Laura. It's because of the pre-market, right? So again, Laura, when you get into a position and it's not working, please get rid of it. Please. We'll talk about it more when we get to our one-on-ones. Eric, you're gonna have to upgrade. So go to the link at the bottom there. Go upgrade, please. Alrighty, and then you get the link to join us in Discord. Peep says, "Yes, this place is money. Let's go, Peep. Welcome to the community. Welcome. We just make monies. We make monies." Joe says, one trade, you up $2,000, you're done. Let's go, Joe. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, saving the money. Yeah, it's more than that, Laura. You think you're saving the monies, but it's more than that. It's all like the mental aspect, you know. Bass says, "Yes, I made four times my daily goal. Four times my daily goal. Let's go, Robs. Four times my daily goal. Sheesh. Do we cook or do we cook? What? So like, did you not find anything on the calendar for this month, Lorenda? You guys booked all the sessions. Sheesh. Well, it's all booked up, I guess. Yeah. No times left for August, guys. I opened up a lot more times, and you guys still booked all of them. So I guess it, yeah. The good thing though is when you upgrade to goats, it doesn't charge you until the next month, anyways, right? So then you're still benefiting because you're having to wait till next month, right? So um, yeah, okay, yeah. No, I opened up a whole bunch of other days, but or like more times, yeah. Yeah, no, if so times will always come up, Laura, and I'll let you know. I'll let you know if something comes up. Uh, no, yeah. No, Tesh goes to McDonald's instead, Josh. Let's go, Rob. Let's go. No, I love I like I said the other day. I love doing the one-on-ones. Like I get to meet some really amazing people. Some really amazing people, like in different places. Some really crazy stories. I've heard some horror stories, some really cool stories too. And people are genuinely amazing, regardless of where they are, right? Like a lot of our members live in the UK, um, Australia, just different places, but it doesn't matter. Like all really amazing people. Um, some people live in the village. Hugh. It doesn't really matter, It's like some really cool people. Jeff. The only issue is the Canadian users, right? Yeah, yeah. I'm not gonna say anything bad about the Canadian users, because then, anyways, Joe, just become a gold member, and then we can make it work. Yeah, Sing is going again. Yeah, it is. It is. So we're back to $10 again. This is one of those names that frustrates you all day, and then at the end of the day, we're looking at $20. CING, right? Look at that thing pop. Like this thing will piss you off, and then it will squeeze, right? Again, really beautiful consolidation off the bottom though, right, guys? So we've said this multiple times. Like if you're gonna try and catch a knife on something, like let it hit the damn floor, right? Eat off the floor. Let the thing hit the floor and lay there, and then you're like, oh, is it dead? You're like, yeah, it's dead. Let me pick it up, right? Off a demand zone. Beautiful. So if you wanted to take a gamble off this thing, you can clearly see it consolidating. And then if you do take a position, set a stop loss below, right? And then there goes pop pop resistance again around $10. And then they're gonna apologize. See, I'm speaking to like I'm saying all these things about Canadians as if I'm not one of them, all the Canadians. Well, well, anyways. So yeah, not a bad bounce if you got into this one. So yeah, Young, did you get in? So try your phone instead, Eric. Try your phone and then try the computer. Alrighty. Try two different things. It should say it. So when you click on see perks, scroll down at the bottom, Young. Give me a high five. Well done. Don't forget to pay yourself on the way up though. And it will let you upgrade. See perks to upgrade our membership, but it doesn't show me. Yeah. Yup. Eric, it's taking you too long. Figure it out. Otherwise, I will find you. Let's go. Come on, guys. You want to know who's doing a giveaway? We're giving away two more memberships, guys. Two more memberships. Two legend memberships. Let's go. So Dan is giving away two more memberships, guys. So these are legend memberships. So these give you access to Discord right away, and then all the videos and all the classes, and all of that stuff. So Dan is feeling better. Dan had some COVID after coming back from vacation, but he wants to give away memberships. We get the chart like yours. No, so when you join us in Discord, then you have the option to buy the chart, which is very 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 cheap, very very cheap, right? Compare this to anything else, you will never find anything like it. So, yep. Again, it's members only, right? So once you become a member, you have access to buy it, right? It's $75 for a 3 month license. You will never find that anywhere else. So we're gonna do a giveaway. We shall do a giveaway. So I'm just setting it up now, guys. And so give me a second, and then I will copy the. And then I'm going to use the hashtag in the chats that Dan sends me already. And then you can just copy the hashtag and use that as well if you want to. So giveaway keyword. And then let's do the giveaway. So the hashtag for the giveaway, guys, is Friday Love. Friday Love, it's in the chat. I'm very open to receiving a legend membership, silver, of course. Yes, of course. Again, so you have to smash a like, and then you have to type in Friday Love. Alrighty, y'all. So again, smash a like, type in Friday Love in the chat. Perfect. So again, smash a like, type in Friday Love in the chat, and you entered for the giveaway. Cool. And then you get a free legend membership. We're gonna do two giveaways. So I don't know if we're gonna pick two from the same one or if we're gonna do another giveaway. But we can just pick two people in the chat, guys. Alrighty. Yeah. And then if you are a member, we'll just upgrade you. If you're not a member, then we can invite you to Discord. Cool. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Michelle is happy about APDN, by the way. That thing is cooking. 29% on that one there. Monkeypox. Monkeypox. Hashtag Friday love. What a beautiful Friday, though. What's a beautiful Friday? What a beautiful Friday. Let's go and don't forget to send Dan some hearts when you win that giveaway, please. Send Dan some hearts. Today's 16. Perfect. Hashtag Friday love. Again, make sure you smash a like if you are entering that giveaway. Otherwise, your entry might not count. I think we did that update. So again, make sure you smash a like. Otherwise, the bot is gonna say, okay, thanks for your entry, but no thanks. Uh, TJ Mac, I answered your question already. So you have to become a member first, right? And then you have the option to buy it. Let's go, virus. Let's go. Let's run that for 30 more seconds, guys, and then pick a winner, okay? Let's run that for 30 more seconds and then pick a winner and then go from there. Let's go. Uh, oh my goodness. Today's all about the giveaways, guys. Giveaways, giveaways, giveaways. Let's go, Rob. Rob is doing a giveaway as well, guys. So we're going to give away. So giving away so three. So this is an algo giveaway. So the chart, right? So we're gonna so a month free access for to three different people. Sheesh. So we're gonna be doing giveaways for days now. For days, guys. For days. Giveaways for days. So if you like the way my chart is set up, right? If you like the way my chart is set up, and you're like, dang, how do I get this chart, right? How do I get this chart? Seems really cool, right? Sheesh, OB, right? I want the demand zones, I want the MACD, I want the RSI, I want the delta, I want the pivots, I want the moving averages, I want the demand zones, I want the kernel cross. Oh my days, guys. That Josh just gave away 50 memberships. Sheesh. My goodness. Happy Friday, everybody. My goodness. You're not wrong, Dan. You know that, right? My charts are always messy. It's Christmas, everybody. It's Christmas. It's Christmas, everybody. Make sure you show up to the class tomorrow. We're going to do more giveaways. Make sure you show up to the class tomorrow. We'll talk about that class more, but let's do this first giveaway. So again, Dan, thank you very much. These legend memberships are really helpful. A lot of people are really, a lot of people get to Discord and they really take advantage, which is amazing, Dan. So thank you very much. Josh, again, really, really appreciate the giveaways. My goodness. You get a membership, everybody gets a membership. So I'm gonna wait for those to be done, give like for YouTube to be done giving those out. And then we'll pick a winner for the giveaway, guys. Alrighty? For the legend memberships. And then we shall pick a winner. Pick a winner. Hashtag Friday Love. I'm joining them because the chart is beautiful. Let's go, TJ. Well, join us. Yep, join us. So make sure you sign up for the right level, though, right, TJ? Not the sold out level, please. Please and thank you. Otherwise, you don't get access to that stuff. YouTube is like, wait, wait, wait. I'm still giving them out. Wait, wait, wait. Beautiful. Okay, so the winner for the giveaway, guys, the first winner for the giveaway from Dan is Roll It. Tesh? Tesh is the winner for the giveaway. Where are you going to? Hugh? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, fine, fine. Okay, I thought he was moving to the mountains. I'm like, Hugh, do better. Do we give this membership to Tesh, guys? Uh, yeah. Let's go, Dan. Let's go. Let's go. Do we give this membership to Tesh, or do we give it to somebody else? Let the chat vote. Let the chat vote. Do we give away the membership? Do we give away the membership to Tesh, or do we let the chat vote? This is the only time where, like, we vote on someone winning the giveaway. It's a legend membership for a month. Do we give it to Tesh or do we give it to somebody else? You guys get to decide. Give it to him. He doesn't need it. Yeah. No, because the only reason I'm asking is because Tesh has been a member for a long time. Um, and Tesh is about to buy a house that's 1 point something million dollars. So we could give this, to somebody that, that, like, your team Tesh. Oh, come on. Tesh, let's give it away, Tesh. Give it away. You sure? Okay, let's pick somebody else then. Tesh, well done. High five, Tesh. High five. Give it to somebody else. Yeah. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful, Tesh. There goes our CING cooking, guys. Oof. Again, this thing looked like it always wanted to go. Too bad that it's really frustrating. We're back to that same resistance. This thing is gonna end up being at $20, and then we're gonna be like, but, right? This is behaving like GNLN. Remember that stock? It's like all day it would come to resistance and then crash. And then at some point, okay, so let's pick another winner, guys. Eric has won the giveaway. Eric, congratulations. It should be showing up in the chat now. Eric, congratulations. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So Eric has won the giveaway. Eric has been trying. Eric has been like, I want to join. I want to become a legend member. Eric has been fighting. Eric, uh, boom skis. Eric has been spamming the chat. Oh no way! I love you guys. Let's go. You love Dan. Um, thanks to Dan. Ready? Legend. So send me an email. Send me an email. My best day ever. Send me an email, Eric. Email at the top there from hottradesx@gmail.com. Send me an email and I'll send you an invite. Already? And then I'll give you manual access because already? Cool. Okay, so let's pick another winner, guys. So Dan gave away 2 legend memberships. So let's pick another winner. A. A. Who's A in the chat, guys? Who's A? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Who's A in the chat? Yeah. A. Let us know. That's your alias, Sean? Sean, I don't know what you're waiting for, honestly. I don't know. No, that's not what it says. uh, it's not an AA. It's an A. Choo, 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 choo. Time to hop off you. Make sure your team is good to go. Yeah, maybe it's a Canadian thing, Brian. Maybe it's a Canadian thing, Eric, see, that's good. That's very good. Okay, let's give it 2 more seconds and then pick somebody else. Alrighty, guys? And then let's pick somebody else. And then we're gonna do the giveaway with and then yeah, Rob, let me copy that giveaway, and then we're gonna do that giveaway as well. Let's go! Congratulations, Young. 2,000 shares at 9:30 out at 10:60. Give me a high five. Well done. Big monies. The members are cooking. Okay, let's pick another winner because I don't think A is. We might have waited too long, and A might be delayed. If A is delayed, we'll fix it. Okay. So again, don't forget to smash the like, guys. There goes $11. Um, $11. There it goes. Oof. It was only a matter of time. It was only a matter of time before this thing cooked. CING. Only a matter of time. Only a matter of time. Now it's cooking. So we're finally breaking above resistance on CING. Again, congratulations if you're still in this one all. If you're still in this thing, type in yes in the chat. If you're still in this thing, type in yes in the chat. I'm gonna pick winners until someone shows up, and then we're gonna pick the first person. Virus doesn't get the giveaway, guys. Um, yeah. Ty, Ty. Ty. Where's Ty? Ty. It's not even a vote, you know. This is a dictatorship when it comes to virus. Let's go, Golden Z. Come on, yeah, $12. Here we come. Yeah, Ty, send me an email. Email at the top, okay? Email at the top. Silver Y, did you win? You did not, right? So Ty, send me an email. Email at the top of the screen, the Hot Tricks X, and I'll send you an invite. And then congratulations, and then I'll give you access. Cool. And then we're gonna do some more giveaways for the algo, which some of you guys might be more interested in the algo, right? So we will do the giveaway. There it goes. Highs of the day. Beautiful. 150%, guys. Again, if you're still holding this, type in yes in the chat. If you're still holding CING, type in yes in the chat. Yeah. So the breakout is what really popped this thing higher, though, right? Tesh is like, yep, that's what I want. I want the algo giveaway. I want the algo giveaway. Ryan, monies. Golden Z, what's your entry over on Stonks? What's your entry price on CING? Paul, congratulations, well done. Nas, yeah. Make sure you're taking profits in the way up, though, please. Right? Even though I'm saying like, oh, if this thing breaks out, it's gonna be at $20 potentially, just because it's acting like G. But please use a stop loss. Please move that stop loss higher, please. Are they do 90% again, Joe? Even if they do 90%, Apex can kindly suck it. Oh, you want the algo? Oh, I see. Okay. I see. Okay, there we go. Let's do another giveaway. So, command. Nope, that's not what I want, is it? So I'm gonna have to refresh this. There goes new highs of the day, guys. And then let's put in the new entries. 70%. Okay, rubbish. Rubbish. Absolute rubbish. Yeah, I for sure slacked on those signals the last few days in HT's signal channel, guys. That's okay. That is a-okay. That is a-okay. Yeah, perfect. When I win, I mean, how about you just upgrade to goats, Silver Eagle? Just upgrade to goats, right? Anyway, so the for the new giveaway, guys, the new hashtag is, so again, Rob is giving away to 3 people, a month each of the algo. Cool. So the hashtag for that giveaway is hashtag good times. Hashtag good times. No way, Golden Z. You're not red in that position, are you? I don't think so. No way you're red in that position. Because that thing is at the highs of the day, 154%. Yeah. And again, so you have to be a TradingView user, right? So free version, that's fine. So free version is fine um, already. I mean, the free version works beautifully. Um, yeah. Uh, yeah. below 12. Stay green in that position, Nas, right? So stay green in that position. Please and thank you. There goes brand new highs of the day. So 1250 on CING. Whew! There goes $13 incoming, guys. So make sure you're moving those stop losses higher, please, please, please. Right, we're obviously approaching the supply zone here now at 1320. So be very careful. Be very, 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 very careful. Please and thank you. Just move those stop losses up and you'll be a-okay. Oh, your order never got filled? Dang. Okay, that's frustrating. Let's go. Yeah, I think a lot more people are interested in the algo. So yeah, let's. There goes 1320, guys. Beautiful. Again, congratulations if you're making monies on this one. Just make sure you're selling that thing on the way up, or you're taking profits and moving your stop loss higher. Alrighty. So Nas, move that stop loss higher. Right. You don't have to get rid of it. Right. You just at least move that stop loss higher. There goes 1350. My goodness, this thing is cooking. Sheesh, we might actually get that $20 we want, guys. Yep, it's halted at 1355. Halted up 1355, guys. My days. 1355 and halted. Whew. My goodness. My goodness. Sheesh. My goodness. My goodness. Printing monies. Printing monies, guys. Printing monies. Printing monies. From 14 to that's yeah. Move the bid to $20, please. Exactly. Just get us to $20. Not to. Dang it, Lucas. You didn't get filled at 1060. Dang. Yeah, that's annoying. That was a good breakout too. Really good breakout. Okay, so let's pick a winner for the giveaway, guys. So again, we're gonna pick a winner every few seconds or so. So this is the month of the algo. So the winner for the first giveaway is why Bondi. Why Bondi is Canadian, by the way. Bondi, love it. Where's Bondi? Canadian. Hashtag win Lambo. No, good times. Good times. It is, but again, so it's halted, so it will most likely on halt higher than it currently is. Bondi says hell yeah, hell yeah, congratulations Bondi, thank you so much. Thanks to Rob. Alrighty, so DM me your username or DM Rob your username in Discord. Alrighty, so DM me your username, DM Rob your username for TradingView, and make sure you let us know that it's for the prize, and then you should be good to go. I'm Canadian. I need it. Canadian inflation is different. Canadian tax is different. Anyways, Bonnie, congratulations. I'm glad you won. It's not rigged, by the way. Uh, anyways, are we ready to pick another winner? GOVX is really consolidating off that demand zone at 490. 490 has been a really good level, Laura, right? So it's rigged, eh? No, it's not rigged. The next winner for the giveaway, guys, is Sean. Sean. At this point, Sean, send again. So either email me because email me your trading your username, Sean. Congratulations. Alrighty. Tesh really wants to win this last one. Come on, one more, guys. One more. There goes 540, 542. Beautiful. What an amazing Friday, actually. What an amazing Friday. Again, thank you all for all the giveaways, guys. Thank you, Dan, Rob, Josh. Amazing. And let's keep cooking. Alrighty, one more winner, guys. One more winner. Are you ready? Are we ready? Sean is always delayed, so let's give Sean a minute. We're just gonna pick somebody else. Paul, let's go, Paul. Let's go. Paul is a brand new member as well. So, Paul, congratulations. So, again, Paul, send us an email. Not an email. You're here, Sean? Perfect. Um, absolutely. Absolutely, Dan. So, oh, wow. Thank you. So, yeah, send Rob a message or send me a message in Discord with your trading username. DM Rob. Don't DM me, actually. uh, with let's go, Paul. Congratulations. Alrighty. And then yeah, congrats all on the win on the winnings. Congratulations. We're gonna do more giveaways tomorrow on Stonks. Hopefully, hopefully, guys. Hopefully. So like I said, I'm gonna post that link for. So we're gonna do a class tomorrow on Stonks. So it's a new streaming service. So that's where we're going to do the class tomorrow. Instead of doing a regular class in Discord, we're going to stream it instead, right? So again, I'm going to post the link tonight with all the details. We're going to do some more giveaways on there tomorrow. But this is the link to the site. Alrighty, that's the link at the bottom of the site there. So stonks. Ready? So yep. Yep. There is, Dan. There really is. We're gonna need some lube. Let's go, Eric. Let's go, Eric. Thank you for the super chat. Best community ever. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. You guys want to do the thrust? Let's get the. It's Friday, so we kind of need to thrust. We're waiting for the understock to unhalt, and it's unhalted, and it actually deserves a thrust. So really good pop on this one. Congratulations if you're in this. Congrats. Make sure you're moving that stop loss up. We're sitting at 194% now, 195, 199, 200%. Whew. Cooking, guys. Cooking. Are you not entertained? And that thing drops. Right? So pay yourself on the way up. 200% gains. Let me get the thrust beats going here. What I want to say is I apologize for what you're about to see. Um, I apologize. Um, this is slurring on baby oil. I apologize for what you're about to see. Um, I blame the members for this. Um, but let's get the party started. This thing is halted down, by the way. Um, are we ready, guys? Are we ready? You're ready, Dan? Okay. Let's go, party people. The vibe is about to change, but that's okay, right? Again, like I said, I apologize. If you're a new member, all I'm gonna need from you is for you to put your hands up in the sky and just give me, light fist pumpings. Put those hands up in the sky, please. And when I say and what, you say and thrust. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. And what? If you are an OG member, like you've been here for more than a day, get naked, please and thank you. It's time to get on the floor. Take those pants off, take the shirts off, get on the floor. You see that emoji on the top there? One hand on the ground, the other hand behind your head. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. And let the beat drop. Come on. Go. 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 It doesn't matter where you are, please. It does not matter where you are. You might be at the grocery store, at work, at the dentist's office. Tell them to chill, please. It doesn't matter who's watching. Be like Spider-Man. You could be on the streets. And what? And thrust. Come on. To the window, to the wall. When Lambo, to the sun. At night. And what? Make monies. Get naked. When Lambo, come on. To the window, to the wall. Screw. Come on. Go. Go. Eye contact is mandatory, please and thank you. Come on. Let the sweat drip. And what? Drip. Come on. Go. Let's go. Okay. Let's pretend that didn't just happen, and let's move on. Anyways, pretend that didn't just happen. Come on. Okay. Back to a a family friendly playlist. Back to a family friendly playlist. Let's go, Lena. Come on. Come on, Lena. Come on. Come on. Lena just made $1,500 on CING from $9 to $14. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Lena is a goat. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Is because again, I keep telling you guys, like Lena and I have had one-on-ones for the last 2 months now, and every time we have a one-on-one, I want to slap Lena. Why? Because she did not listen. And this week she's been listening, and Lena has been cooking. Why? Because she's a goat. Lena, give me a high five. Well done. You should be very proud. $1,500, Lena. Come on. Come on. I'm very proud, by the way. Very proud. Very proud, Lena. Very proud. Very proud. 50. I mean, like the goats are just cooking from left to right, just cooking. When I say become a goat, I'm not kidding. It's because we do some other things when we do goats, when we do one-on-ones. So you can either invest in yourself or, yeah. No, Lena knows. Yeah. It is, Wes. It really is. Trade for eternity. It really is, Wes. That's like our theme song. It's the vibe. uh, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Again, if you're watching over on Stonks, say something in the chat so we can say hello. Alrighty? And then tomorrow we're gonna do the class on there, and it should be a lot of fun. Uh, uh, Perfect. QNTM, yeah, that was a good one yesterday. So yeah, CING is halted down, guys. Lane, I'm very proud that you sold this thing on the way up because that's been a problem. Congratulations, love that. Alrighty, APDN, guys, is the monkeypox name and it's hitting highs of the day. That looks really good. Again, today has turned out to be a really good Friday, right? Which is amazing. So congratulations. Anything we touch is turning into gold today, isn't it? Right. So. And then there's a new headline, right? So, breaking news: monkeypox has been detected in the wastewater of two different districts, San Francisco and California. Damn. Okay. See, you see, monkeypox is coming. It is coming, right? The names are not going anywhere. Like we said, if these headlines keep coming, we keep playing with it, right? We keep playing with it. There goes 60 cents on this one. Yep, beautiful. So CING is unhalted, and this looks like a retest of the 9 EMA. So let's see if we can stay above 1250. Cool. Well, see if we can stay above 1250. We have like 10 more minutes, guys, and then we're going to hop off and go back to Discord. We almost don't want the stream to end, right? And thrust. That's nasty. It is, isn't it? Yep. 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 Yeah. Can you imagine, like, come back from the weekend? Just imagine all the headlines. Again, I'm still on the side of like if you have profits and you're happy with the profits, you lock in the profits and then you come back on Monday, and then you see what the market looks like, right? I wouldn't completely depend on like holding a position over the weekend and then hoping that we have monkeypox news on Monday, or at the very least maybe hold a smaller position, right? Take some profits and then a smaller position. Sushi, I know I do. On the weekly candles, ASRs, okay, ASR, okay. I'll take a look. Why the weekly candle? Is it a long-term position for you? Most likely, right? on stonks, on the stonks. Yeah, again, don't forget to I see what you're looking at. Okay, sounds good. Let me get rid of NVIDIA here. I don't think there's really anything else that we need to say about NVIDIA. Like we said earlier, right? NVIDIA has support at 122.50. 122.50 is a demand zone. It's also a double bottom. So, and it's that last bottom we hit there, right? And then we hit it again, and then we've done it again, right? So, 122.50 for support for NVIDIA, and then resistance closer to 123.50. Just gonna go a dollar higher. Cool. So, yeah, $150. No, we need NVIDIA at 150 instead. Yeah. Do, 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 do. On the weeklies, let me take a look at the weekly. Do, 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 do. Ooh, that's a nice week. That's a nice weekly chart, right? Off $50. Yeah, it's had a really nice bounce on this weekly candle though. So that would be the only thing now, Ace. But that was a beautiful looking chart off the bottom here. Yeah, off $50, really nice. Did you get into this thing, Ace? Yeah, really good spot. So, if I was looking for position now, though, I'd almost be waiting for a break above 65 and close above for a brand new position. Really good push, though. Really good push. Yeah, you got in at 55. Nice. Congratulations. Yeah, you're nice and green now. So, yep, $10 higher. So, congratulations. If that thing breaks above 65, it's going to keep pushing again. So, push it all the way into the 70s. Congrats. Good spot. Good spot. Love it. I'm gonna set an alert for that one on the breakout, Ace. Thank you. First take profit $80. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna set an alert for a breakout. Just because it is a bit higher now, so you almost want to break out above that weekly candle. If it breaks above that weekly candle, and then it's a signal for more. Yeah, really good spot. Okay, back to CING, guys. It looks like we're curling beautifully off that 9 EMA, so that's perfect. Perfect. Headed back towards $14. Lena, please don't get back in this thing. If you do, maybe not the same amount of shares you had earlier. Please and thank you. The only reason I'm singling out Lena is because she's done this in the past. Like make monies and then go back and then slapped. Ready? So end the Friday on a beautiful, happy note. Ready? And yeah, again, I say this all the time, but I am very confident that every single one of you guys in the chat can cook. Like I say that with like a high degree of like confidence. You know, I'm very confident, right? How dare you? Don't worry, Lena. I'm just saying, you know, because I know. I was about to get back in. I mean, like $1,500 is a nice more than your daily goal. You know that, right? Again, it looks really good. I'm just saying, if you get back in, be very careful. Don't diamond hand it. Okay? Don't be like, but I'm up at $1,500, so I can go down $1,500. No, don't do that, right? Maybe you can lose $500, but that's about it. So, but anyways, so rude. I know, right? Anyways, I'm very confident that like with the community we have, like with our stuff is what I'm saying, right? With the community we have, with the education, with the technicals, with the ideas we have, I'm very confident that every single one of you guys in the chat can cook. Even if you're not confident, I'm confident. I'm very confident. Easy monies, right? The part that you have to eliminate from your trading though is those stupid big losses. Those stupid big losses are like that's the one thing that kills everybody. Kills everybody. I've said this so many times. I've never met a single person that made $1 a day or $50 a day, and they're like, "Dang it, these are too small." Or like they're like, "I'm losing $100 a day, $50 a day," and all of a sudden the account is done. No, it's the people that diamond hand and go to the abyss. Those are the people that I hear all the time. They're like, "I'm done," right? I'm like, "Okay, what happened?" They're like, "I was holding this stock from $20 and now it's at 50 cents. What do I do?" I'm like, "I don't know. I don't know. What do you want me to do?" Yeah, exactly, Ace, exactly. Confidence comes with time, also, exactly, right? Exactly. We and again, I've said this. Everything that I'm saying is stuff that we've said multiple times, right? When you're brand new to the market, Your goal is not to be like to see everybody else making $1,500 a day, $100 a day, $500 a day, and say, hey, I want to do that too. No, your goal is to make as little as possible, to lose as little as possible, but then take your time and really learn your strategy, right? Your success should not be based on like luck. Like, hey, I got lucky. You know what? I got lucky because luck will only take you so far, right? You need that time in the market. You need that time in the market to build the confidence, the strategy, right? Understand how the market actually works, right? So when you're brand new to the market, your goal is to play as small as possible and lose the least amount of money possible as you're learning. You're gonna lose. You will lose. I know people are like scared of losing all the time, like, oh my goodness, but I'm losing monies. This could have been my vacation monies. Well, you have to pay tuition. Like anything you do in life, you have to pay tuition. The only thing you don't have to pay tuition is when you go to like I'll let Virus finish that statement. When you go to Vegas, and then, anyways, even then you have to pay tuition. But I'll leave it there. You guys can use your imagination. But right, you will lose, right? You will lose monies, and that's fine. So there goes CING. Maybe we finally get that $20, guys. Maybe we finally get it. And then Lena is gonna be like, but Lena, but let that thing cook, please. There goes $15, guys. Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh my days. Ryan is cooking on this. Ryan, congratulations. Make sure you pay yourself on the way up, right? Make sure you pay yourself on the way up. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. See, I knew Virus would finish. A said, I lost about 4 grand through the first 4 years of your trading journey. Exactly, Ace. I'm 7 years in at this point. Exactly, right? Exactly. Not easy at the start. Exactly. Like, take your time and really learn. Yeah, I think so too, Sean. I think that $20 price target we want is coming. But again, I would take profits on the way up. I would keep moving the stop loss higher. Right? Keep moving that stop loss high. Even though you're looking at like $20, hoping for $20, take gains on the way up, guys. Take gains on the way up. Move your stop loss higher. Right? Don't diamond hand. Right? It's not like this thing all of a sudden has an amazing catalyst. No, it's Friday. This thing is gonna dump at some point. Let me see how much cash these guys have in the bank. You want to see how much cash they have in the bank? Let's find out together. CING. How much cash do they have in the bank? They have $380,000. $380,000, guys. They could. I mean, the float is also quite small. It's less than a million, right? So which is good. I say less than a million because there are a few differences if you look at Finviz versus Yao Finance and stuff like that. But again, it looks really good. But this is another one of those plays that these guys are going to do an offering at some point. Promise. And this stock is going to crash hard, and then it's going to cook again probably. But just like GNLN, right? It's like a copycat of GNLN. Copycat. Like it was stuck around $9, and then all of a sudden, boom. There goes 15. There goes 1550, guys. 1550, everybody. Let that thing cook. Again, if you're still in CING, guys, type in yes in the chat. If you're still in CING, type in yes in the chat. There you go, $16. Woo, we might get that thing before you know it. Before you know it, we might get it. Uh, there you go, $16. You sold half NAS. Congratulations, Kimbella. Well done. Ryan, good job on taking some monies off the table. Love it. Your bike is calling, Josh. That sounds amazing. Someone's this weekend pay forward. Let Josh love it. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you very much for everything you do, Josh. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful weekend. Stay blessed. And we will see you Discord. Alrighty? Yup. That thing is cooking. Cooking, cooking. So yeah, they have $380,000. At some point, they're gonna need to take some profit. The company's gonna need to do an offering. Maybe that's tonight. Maybe that's Monday morning. Who knows, right? So make sure you pay yourself on the way up as well, please. Thank you. Good. APDN is still looking good, guys. The latest monkeypox, pumper, 37% now. So congratulations if you're playing with this one already. Yeah, 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 yeah. Uh, Ace, are you from Stonk or you're are you like from where did you find the Stonk stream on Stonk? Let me know. Exactly, if not worse, exactly. Stonks, yeah. Okay, very cool. Very cool. Thank you for joining. Thank you very much. We're gonna do, again, like I said, we're gonna do a class tomorrow, a psychology class, trading psychology, 3 p.m. On Stonks. So 3 p.m. Eastern time. Good, Ace. Good, 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 good. Yeah. Let's get to cooking. So again, there goes a bit of a sell-off back to $15. Back to $15. Do, 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 do. Uh, exactly, Michelle. Exactly. Uh, exactly. Exactly. Uh, love it. Yeah, don't forget to smash your like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. We will hop off in a second because I really do have to go. I want to stay all day, but I really do have to go back to Discord. So uh, yeah. Oh, look at this thing, guys. Let's go, Michelle. Again, Michelle is going to be on with us tomorrow. Michelle and Rob tomorrow when we do the class. When we do the class again, 3 p.m. Eastern time on Stonks. I posted the link in the chat, so that's going to be where we do the class tomorrow. I'm going to update it again tonight in Discord. Yeah, we're going to hop off and go continue in Discord, guys, in a minute or two here. So again, smash a like, hit that subscribe. If you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat that come join us. Already? Exactly, Wes. Exactly. It's a very low float. Um, CING. Exactly, Ace. Exactly. Yeah, I like it. I think it's cool. It's nice and simple. It's not overly complicated, Um, I know, Mash. As soon as we leave, as soon as we leave, the market says, "Oh yeah, hot rates is gone." Okay, fine. Let's go to. So again, make sure you follow us on Stonks, guys. Make sure you hit the follow if you're watching on Stonks. Uh, we need more of you guys following. Alrighty, and then join us tomorrow, and we will cook more because that's just what we do. We just cook, we make monies. We cook and make monies. Right? Today is no exception to anything else. We cook, we make monies. We do educational stuff. We have fun, right? We have fun while making monies. So doesn't change any day of the week. So here we are going back for $16 again on CING. So it looks like we're finding a bit of resistance at 1620. Not sure where it's coming from, but that's the beauty of the supply zone. So 1620 is your next resistance. Let's go BLK. So again, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Boom booms. Let's go. Eric says, thank you for all the gains. Excited for the journey. Let's go, Eric. Give me a high five. Well done. Love it. Any last questions before we hop off? I think Chris is waiting for me already. Let's go, Ace. That is cool, isn't it? That you can change the symbol like that, Ace. Yeah, I like it. If you guys are wondering who Ace is, Ace is watching on the other stream, so I'm just chatting with Ace on the other stream. But yeah. Anyways, yeah, let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we're gonna continue on Discord. We're gonna keep watching all of these names in Discord, of course. and we're gonna keep making money. So it doesn't matter where we are. So again, 1620 breaks, and then we're looking for $20, right, guys? When Lambo? When Lambo? When Lambo? Virus. Uh, there you go. Let's go. Have a wonderful weekend as well, Justin. We're gonna be in Discord. We might come back at the end of the day, maybe. Late at trade. Ryan, keep cooking. Nas. Can I take a look? No, I cannot take a look. Sorry, I'll take a look in Discord. Nas, ask me in Discord. I'll take a look. Maybe Justin can take a look, or Yi can take a look, or Rob can take a look. But I'm slacking. Let's go, Ace. Alrighty. Much love all. Virus, see you in Discord. Dan, see you in Discord. Yeah. Have a wonderful weekend, Sean. Stay cooking. Yeah. So if you want something and you need to send me an email, send me an email. If you need to send me a DM, send me a DM. Alrighty. Again, we're gonna keep watching CING and keep making monies, please. Much love all, and catch you guys soon. Alrighty. Cool, 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 cool. Bye, guys.